again. Cookie.
Jesus. Yes. I never tell us if you pay food, keep me, man. Oh, why you share out the food and keep me, man?
Sleep with what? People and man. You can't sleep with nobody, man.
You just clean your husband's shoes. You're going to really clean your man. I'm tired of all the problems from you came here. My glass, you drink water? My glass? Cook you.
See, look at come for you, yeah.
Can't come get home. You feel me eat up a few minutes more so you girl never bite there. You feel like someone I know.
Cookie, what wrong with you?
You come try to support
What wrong with you?
now.
So where's Cookie? Cookie! 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 Seems like she must be sleeping or something.
Who's calling me? Dad! You're here!
Yeah, I'm here, Cookie. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Nice to see you
Why
again.
didn't you tell me that you were coming?
No,
Huh?
I don't know like
I'm sure you told Skinny and you didn't say anything to me.
No, I didn't understand.
Father, what's going on? I like your jacket.
Thank you.
I can't believe you just come suddenly and pop up on us, Skinny.
Yeah, man, I like the way you guys live loving though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm moving in a part.
True.
Like father, like son.
Yeah?
True.
True. So, when you guys plan to get a child? Because I've been worried about it so much.
It's easy as I come.
Yeah. Skinny, I wish I could come and see my grandson here.
Oh. Very soon, Pops. Very soon.
Very soon. Okay, it seems like something is in the making.
Yeah. Soon.
So you guys gonna surprise me as well?
Yeah.
Like father, like son.
Like father, like son. True. Yeah.
Yeah.
So how's the flight, Pa?
You know, it was great.
True, man.
Yeah, I took it to Miami and then
class.
Yeah, it
I
was.
just can't believe
First
it.
class.
So sudden.
I say come on and rich and wealthy.
It was do what you want to do.
You got more privilege. Like
Yeah?
fly when you want.
True.
Thing when you want, you know?
Yeah, man, but I just came to do some business still. I don't plan to stay no long time.
True, man. Cause I want to talk about that thing if you true, cause boy, want to get business up and running, man. Cause he said she want to be the CEO, the manager.
Yeah.
All at once. True. Yeah.
Yeah, as
You
long
just
as,
can't supervise, you don't know.
as long as you guys have the potential to run the business,
Yeah.
you're gonna do it.
True,
But
man.
my business is no plaything, so if I'm seeing you guys joking, I gotta get some money.
What you talk about, Pa? When you see-
So you have experience in that field, Cookie?
Yeah, she does.
She does?
Yeah, Pa. What you talk about?
Well, that's a plus for us then, Skinny.
Yeah, Pa. And she make me know say if 4 man then have goods of a choice, I have to go check them out. Like how you're there, because I didn't get the chance. Because I don't say I fall out today. So you know,
Skinny. That's where you're messing up from first. Because if I give you one of the things to do and you say you couldn't do it, who are you gonna run the
Who
business?
couldn't? Let me do it. I did Pa, what you talk about.
No, but you say you couldn't get to check the foreman. Why you didn't get to
Then
check?
not today tell me that, Pa. This morning.
Oh.
You should wait till tomorrow when you fly. Then you can say something. I lie. I have to true.
True.
That's up to true. That's up. Pa, you have to give me the glasses there, bad for
Yeah,
true.
man, I bring a few stuff for you too. You wanna try it on?
Yeah, man, for true. Yeah, check out.
Yeah? How you doing? Fit you well, though?
True. Hey, Omelo.
Yo, come
Yeah.
Bossy.
Yeah?
True.
Fit you my son. Yeah, man.
True.
Yeah.
But you know want something for drink?
Yeah, I want, you got, give me a bottle of water.
Water. About a dragon spitfire.
Yes, true, because I don't tell me to
Hey,
speak
I'm
up.
a favorite for true, you know. Yeah, man,
Yeah.
for true.
You know,
Yeah.
and the Jack and Spitfire make him come here.
Really?
Yeah. So it seems like you have to start drinking some as well.
He's been drinking it.
You been drinking?
A lot. A whole lot.
So how my son been treating you, Cookie?
Really well. You raised him really good, Dad.
Yeah, man, you have to bend the tree from it young before you get old.
That's true.
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 Yeah?
Pops.
Yes,
And they
my
run up at you. You drink them hard, you know. Drink them hard.
Thanks, my son. Yo, if it wasn't for the split fire Jagan,
Yeah.
me and you would be in the same shows.
Pops. And I easy, you know. But watch your style, no? Man, I wear shit for the same shoe size, but we wear the same shade size. And I say,
don't look like the same
nice.
size skinny. Give me my glass, cause my shades, cause it seems like you're stretching it out.
Pops, I style for children. I baby, make my face big.
A little bit.
I work for children.
You don't think you must stretch it out, Cookie?
It fit me back.
Yo, I got a new one. I'm gonna give you a different one. Will fit you better. Much better.
I say, I have a new one for me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
It
for
don't
sure.
even come out of plastic.
But when I rolling dice, I have to roll wise. Never
Yeah?
wise. So for true.
True. Yeah? To blast.
Hey, Pop, give me the style here. Yeah, you know. Son, me tell you this. So when I rolling dice, you have to roll wise, never lies. So for true. True. Hey, if you don't Pop man for 1 month, man, I tell you, ain't kill you with style for true.
Yeah?
Like, yeah?
To blast.
For true. So I go on, you know. Pops,
You know, what I really want to talk about still, since
Yeah.
the two of you are here, when are you guys going to give me my grandson?
Pops, me so far, yeah? So far, that's
So
the
far.
cookie boy there.
So, the Cookie,
That's the cookie boy there.
can Cookie alone give me a grandson? You are my son, so you're the one I'm talking to.
Pops, when you're ready, get Pops the key and thing, you know? Can't get you, man.
Skinny, are you a
Pops,
man give them?
you joke too much, you know, Pops, come.
Skinny, are you a man give them?
Yes,
What them call them weed again? What them call
Pops, stop
them
the
weed?
foolishness, no, man. Sure. Stop the foolishness, man.
Alright.
You still have that joking thing in there, Skinny. But you
Hey,
know,
Pops, I agree with you, yeah, Musa.
but guess what, you know what I don't like though? You look a little bit more skinnier than I left you.
Why?
Look like Cookie's not feeding you very well.
No, Pops, she feed me good, man, for true. I mean, I don't really eat, man, but Cookie give me enough food for it. But I tell you, for true.
But I only see some ramen up there.
Ramen?
Yeah, some ramen.
Why? Pops run out of food. And that's why I tell you, say, me don't want to look food for true, Pops, man. Run out of cash, man, and thing, man. The thing's soft, you know, Pops.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a piece of food that you can go and do some shopping.
Yeah, Pops, man, because the thing's soft, you know, for true, you know.
Okay, my son. Don't worry yourself.
Go and get some rest, man, and think, man, you know.
So where's the room?
Yeah, eh? Okay, I'll get the key and thing.
Okay, because I'm a bit tired because it's been a long flight.
Here, Dad.
Thank you.
Yeah, that one.
Skinny, give me a man with an Oxford. I don't want to get in a room.
Boss. What's up? Boss. Roll it. Then be in a room and turn and you see and relax yourself, man.
No, who is that young lady I see in the room?
What young lady?
I saw a young lady in the building.
I joke you have me, Pops. Now the minute, man. Hey, wake up, man. What kind of style? Pops, what you talking about? Come man, wake up, man. It's where you can't say your father can say in a...
Me I mean for jump asleep.
Come man, get up and set up yourself.
Let she get some rest today.
Pops, I work, she I work. What you talking about?
It doesn't matter.
Come man. Set up the room.
Let the young lady sleep and have some rest.
Jesus Christ. People gon' catch me on them big bed. I say, woman, I'm pulling me now with my mom. That's why. Two horse soft tree and big bed. Can't release me drop asleep.
Let the young lady sleep and have some rest.
Jesus Christ. People gon' catch me on them big bed. I say, woman, I'm pulling me now with my mom. That's why. Two horse soft tree and big bed. Can't release me drop asleep.
Tracy! Yes, miss?
Why are you
You are really sleeping? No, get out. Because this can't be real.
Sorry.
Why are you cheating her?
I can't believe this girl.
Please, me, I'm begging
You mean to tell me?
to work. I'm in need to drop asleep.
I gave her a simple task to do in the room and you're telling me that she fell asleep?
Mister, because me use the one heap of bleach and something them and then kind of make my eyes them weary.
Oh, really?
Cookie. She
Yes,
must
Dad.
She must be tired.
Never drop
I can see
asleep
that.
before, you know.
She must be tired.
Dad, stop picking up for her.
Please, miss, please. Me ever drop asleep before, you know.
You should have never done that, Tracy.
I bleach and it's something there.
No, I'm talking to her.
It's okay.
Why are you being so harsh with her?
It's not a matter of art, but we got to train them or we need them to work. She's
a
the
part of
maid.
family. She's no maid, Cookie. She's a part of the family.
Dad, you're being ridiculous now. You're
Anyone
simply being
working-
ridiculous.
Anyone working here is a part of the family.
You know-
We're not going to treat them like a maid.
Alright, Dad. My head, I can't bother with this right now.
Skinny. What's the problem? You need to run the house like a man, Skinny. It seems like your woman is running the place for you.
Then Pops, when we want me to Pops?
You need to stand up as a man.
Then no make a way call Pops with me.
I told you you shouldn't wake her. You should let she sleep and rest.
Sure. Pops,
Don't you think the young lady is tired?
she must tired, yes.
So you should let she sleep and get some rest.
What, Pops? And me go wake her, Pops.
So why did you wake her?
And me go around there, go wake her, Pops. Me go around there, go wake her.
But you need to man up, Skinny. And I'm serious about that.
Skinny!
You hear? She's calling her
Yes.
like she's the man.
Come here.
So if you can't run the house, how you gonna run a business?
Skinny!
Yes.
I said come here.
That's not the way I raise a boy. You acting like, I don't know, is she running the head or what?
Yes, sir.
Come inside.
What problem now?
So Skinny, you even told me say you didn't say anything at all to your father out there.
So when me feel
He
say,
was defending the maid right before my face, giving her privilege. You as the man need to do something about that.
babe,
And soon. Yes, you need to go out there and do something about that.
alright, hear me say, Zin. Hear me say, I know everything you make a fuss out of. It was me that go in the room and wake her up. Who you think go in there and wake
It
her up?
doesn't even matter.
Take time.
I hired
but
her.
Pops just come and need to hear him.
You have a point. But as a man, you need to stand up. You need to say something to her. I'm not speaking to her. You're the one who's going to
So
speak.
go ahead.
Yes, defend me in your father's presence. Because Obviously, he's giving her privilege to do whatever she wants in this house. Wait, Skinny. Obviously, you're not being real right now. You're behaving as if there's nothing wrong with whatever just happened. Like I am crazy, like I am the crazy one.
Is it true?
Right.
Is it true?
So you know, what is the name?
Tracy, sir.
Tracy,
Yes, sir.
I can see that you're not having a good time here.
Not really. Me understand, so I'm not supposed to drop asleep on the work, but because I was like really exhausted and then I was using the chemical.
Yeah, I can understand that. But that's not the way they should be treating you though.
No, sir, I'm a job, Miss Cookie saying.
It's your job also, but she didn't have to come and behave like that. Come and tell her to get out. And I told Skinny that he shouldn't wake you also. So why are they treating you like this? And Tracy, don't worry yourself. I just want you to cheer up yourself. And my name is Rolling Dice. Or you can call me Mr. Dice. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So just make yourself at home and just forget about what just happened a while ago. I'm going to talk to Skinny and I'm going to talk to Cookie as well.
Go.
Be.
Go.
When me
And
when
talk
me
to your
say.
father. I don't care.
When you not
Skinny.
one.
Go and
You-
talk to your
then you-
father.
What time do you leave her, Tracy?
Like anytime you know how to work for you.
So what
But I'm here.
They should just sit down and you should work and finish.
Hey, Pops. Pops.
What's the problem?
She not supposed to sleep in the room, Pops. You understand? And I mean, I'm I wasn't up, and me if you do them things there, Pops. So if she run, and me if you stand up like a man and
You are no man of the house. You're not acting like a man.
So me I do you know.
You're acting like a man, kid.
Pops, you see, and that you don't understand.
Skinny.
And me are the man of the house. Sign?
So why you guys treating her like that? I
No,
know,
Pops.
I know it's wrong for her to sleep in the bed
What you
without
think?
your permission. Cause you are the head of the house when I'm not here. So it's not right for her to go and sleep in the bed. But you didn't have to deal with the situation like that. And Cookie come and just pull her out. I don't like that. I don't accept that.
But Pops, you tell me, right is right, wrong is wrong. And I end the idea, Pops, if she wrong, she wrong. You understand, Pops? Nobody now pressure.
Two wrong cannot make a right. So what you should do, you should let the young lady sleep and get a rest. Look, she's even crying.
Yeah, Pops.
You must not treat people like that.
Here, Tracy. You can go now.
Stay here, Tracy.
Never finish work, Miss.
Cookie, what's the problem?
What do you mean, darling?
Why are you guys being so harsh with her?
Tracy, we've been harsh on you.
You see, she don't want to talk. Because she know you guys been treating her really bad. Because it's my first day and that's the way how you're treating her.
She fell asleep on the job, father, and that is wrong. So tell her that she is wrong.
It's
I
wrong.
don't know what else Tracy had told you or what's going on here. She don't normally look so nice.
But I see she was even crying. What caused that? You did not
I don't
treat
know
her
what
like that.
caused that.
Cookie,
I'm unaware.
you guys can deal with situations better than
But
that.
what I'm aware of, Dad, is that she needs to be more focused on the job. That's all I am saying. I hired a maid. I didn't hire a little sister or a pet. I'm not gonna walk after her and do anything.
Cookie,
That's all I'm
I
saying.
know it's wrong for her to go and sleep in the bed like that without you guys' permission. But that's not the way how to deal with the situation. You could deal with it better. You didn't have to go and pull her out of the bed. You could say, okay, take a little minute and rest.
Father, you don't understand. You have to put her in her place so she can know how to behave differently. When I go inside and I don't, she's gonna do it again the next time.
You know what? Since you guys are moving so harsh with her, I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do.
And what is that?
Don't worry yourself. I know what I'm gonna do. Just don't worry yourself.
Okay.
Tracy, okay? Don't worry yourself. Yes.
Sir, I'm sorry if you sleep on the job. And I'm going to write Miss Cookie one apology letter because we just have so much thing to go through.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Don't worry yourself. And stop the crying.
I think let me find one job because I don't want to feel up on the streets. And then you know what I mean I work. Sometimes when me get me I feel walk come like from way around the main entrance. Cause driver say I get tired of me.
Tired of you? Why?
Because every minute me that they shout me fear or me not no fear.
So what, you're not getting as much money?
Yeah, enough for seminar no work. $15,000.
No. 15,000 I cannot do much. Because you say your fare costs what? 2,000 per day?
Me just don't know how that reach me. I go write them one apology letter in the car. The job means how much to me. Me can't lose it.
Tracy, anybody can make a mistake. And that's not a mistake. I can see you working very hard because it must be because you're working hard that you have to lay down and sleep. Because it's the first time.
Yeah, I'm a first thing out of about me never drop asleep yet, only in a taxi.
But I still don't appreciate the way they're treating you, Tracy. Because you're a part of the family. So they shouldn't be treating you like that. Tracy, don't worry yourself. I'm gonna give you a little change so you can help sort out all the bills.
No, we can't take it, sir. Me a help out.
Hey, Tracy, don't worry yourself. I'm giving you this. Nobody can tell me. That can even do much. It's a 400 years. Go and sort out yourself.
Oh God, sir, I don't know why you just do for me. Me can't pay my driver. Me can't pay my driver. Oh God.
Don't worry yourself, listen. There's a lot more where that is coming from. So just be a good girl and I know you will reap the reward.
Me not drop asleep again, sir.
Just
Oh Jesus, sorry sir. No God.
why are you frightened?
Me want to lose the work again and show me happy now, sir.
Tracy, nobody can fire you. Even though who was the one who hired you?
Mistress Cookie hired me and then I told them I am sir.
Okay, don't worry yourself. I'm going to make sure that everything goes well. You hear?
Thank you, sir.
So you don't have to worry yourself about they're going to fire you or they're going to shorten your pay. I'm going to make sure talk to Skinny and make sure that he treat you better than they are doing now. Okay?
Good.
No sir, me no like this. Me no like this. Look on the time. What you mean if you tell me say you just get up out of bed and gone so early in. No sir, me no like this.
You see me now become successful this year. Something must wrong. Cause me a rock, you know. Me a put out extra large effort to become rich. Me have to rich like a dead meat girl. How will this for me again?
Yo, Wham. Why you left out of the house so early?
What you mean?
You don't sleep in your bed again?
You remember say me have a 9 to 5?
What kind of 9 to 5? Oh, so you turn film little hustling in a 9 to 5. Eh? You turn my little hustling in a 9 to 5. Yo, one thing I tell you still. Yo, just give me 200 and go wash my clothes. Because I when me know this clothes then.
Well, look on this crispy salmon here. So me must buy food for you can then focus on your belly like you feel say me apart. Eh? And me must help you buy back phone. Me must now give you $200. Hey, better you go back up at the yard, go continue on your all the way you see me buy up there, go beg your friend, we give you money for go buy a cup soup.
Push, you think I buy cup soup?
So where you get it from?
A thief in cup soup, yeah, Nyam. No, we go back down our yard.
Which yard?
Now we right down, which part of the hook? We go back right down, we go take out the cup soup and you don't even know that. So you see the cup soup up your yard, you don't even know who you are, Nyam.
See, you have me and Nyam thief in goods. Boy, me and Nyam thief in goods. And where this boy you come from, they come feed me pan thief in goods. Me want me hard earning money. And me buy much rice, everything. And I hear the thief things come give me from your girl place where you born me with.
Give me a little $200 now.
Last time, me I go tell her this year. Boy, back off of me. Don't come back down at my workplace. Do not step not even your foot. Me not even. Me don't want to see you down there. Come on, make police lock you up, you know. I want this to for sure you all you careless. And you not use up on the clothes. And I see him clothes, you say I have one day here. He's a nasty boy. I don't know when I pick up you as a dead rat boy.
Oh yeah, man.
Come back down there and see if me not make you go to jail. You feel so me afraid? Yeah. You feel so me afraid to carry them come and come find the thief in cup soup boy?
That's what happened.
Oh, me not name thief in goods, go find a 9 to 5.
Tracy, you see what happened. Over your head. You see what happened.
Oh, me fi get rich with this boy. Me I get rich by myself. Look at it. As a hard-working woman, me no support thief. Cup soup, you gone thief. I know if you set you straight, man. I know if you set you straight. I'm gonna take that taxi.
Between our time together, little children running in the hall. I went looking for reasons in the darkness.
First day in Jamaica.
Could I really be that kind of man? And I think that I was taking you for granted. I'm afraid that might be who I am. I came here to explain, but the car broke down again. And I walked home still falling on a piece of choo-choo. I guess you never knew the hole I fell into. It got its teeth in me and it won't let go.
Jamaica.
I thought I was something pretty special. I guess that's how you think when you're so young. And I stacked the bricks so high they fell down on me. Just another guy whose time has come and gone. I've been running around with a crew of broken shadows. They don't give a damn about anyone. They got $100 bill left on the table. If you don't pull that trigger, man.
God, it's full of fire, man. Yeah, fire, come on.
Things, though. Oh, why? Jesus.
Good morning, Lacey.
Good morning, Mr. Dice.
How you doing?
I'm doing okay.
I can see that, man. Come, we can pass. Just take off your slippers.
You sure you don't want me to come finish up?
No, man, you can go and get yourself settled first, and I'm gonna just sweep off the van and get some things going.
Okay, sir, thank you.
You're welcome.
So this man is nice. And if this man they do my work for me, I don't need to do no work.
It feels good to be here, you know, man. You know, long more come to Jamaica. But you don't know what you have to do, what you have to do.
Why? so this man did nice. Look how my man give me bone. And God just changed my life and make me I live rich life too. Oh God, life is a gamble. Mr. Dice.
Yes, Tracy.
I was going to make tea. What type of tea you drink?
You have any turmeric or ginger?
I don't know any turmeric, sir, but we have ginger and we have fever grass.
Oh, yeah. That would be better.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Okay?
Mr. Dice, a real old man, you know. I want him turmeric.
You know, I want to go to the beach one other day. Yeah, man, I'm going to talk to Skinny and let me and him and Cookie and Tracy go to the beach.
Should I tell him to drink ginger, you know? Because our tea bag there have, yeah. Mr. Dice.
Yes, Tracy?
You know, come sit down, forget your tea.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm just finish up right here and come.
Okay, let me set the table. You want now to eat as well?
Yeah. You have any Excelsior water crackers?
I think they have some crackers here.
I rather the cinnamon one, so see if you find the cinnamon.
Okay, no problem, sir. In Jesus Christ, my name. Oh, my buy back some coming cook my tea for some of them. You know. People, they might go fire me. I wonder if you want the pack or you want the pull one. I'll give me two of them here, man. Two of them I will give him. Cookie one and everything. Oh, sir.
Oh, I'm gonna wash mine first. I'm gonna wash mine.
Me remember that the palette, you know.
Thank you. You're such a darling.
You want peanut butter, sir, or are you alright?
No, man, I don't really fancy those stuff.
Okay.
You know, sir, how I go on. I'm a damn son and a woman I problem. Look how that girl nice. Look at the time now. Look at the time. It's not even 7:38 and she's at work. Some helper, they don't come to work until 10 o'clock, you know. Tracy?
Yes, sir.
You're doing a very good job, okay?
Oh, sir, them here when drop on the ground, some of them make use of them.
No, Tracy. If they drop on the floor, you throw them in the garbage.
Sir.
There's more stuff here you can eat if you want. And don't feel afraid to eat whatever you see here. Just let it be like a home for you, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
And you know how I love you, sir. When I go to church, I have to pray for you.
Thank you for the prayer,
Thank you,
Tracy.
sir.
You're such a darling.
I can make fun peas cooking myself.
Yeah, man, sure.
Oh, God, sir. Thanks.
Can you put this in the bin for me, please? Thank you.
Oh, sir, if you want sugar, only for my grandmother only drinks it first. That's what I make you want honey?
Yeah, man, I rather the honey. So, you didn't put anything in it yet?
No, for my grandmother drinks it with nothing. Don't do the only father.
But it tastes nice without the.
And some grandmother drinks it and have sugar.
Oh, thank you.
More over here so they clean up, sir.
You know, your parents grow up very well, you know, Tracy.
No man, I'm a granny grow me.
Oh, I see. Yeah, cause you know, granny and grandfather teaching, it's special. Yeah, you see, if you don't have a granny or a grandfather, anybody you see going down about granny or a grandfather, they miss a lot.
I must say that's why Miss Cookie go and say, no, sir.
Oh.
We don't have no granny.
Maybe.
Sir, me say you know, oh, me glad to you coming.
True.
Me thank you. Me no say, coming like me the out to lose the work.
Why?
Cause me no know Miss Cookie say me just had to be a sitting where wrong.
I can see the way they treat you.
I want a nice woman, you know. I just 3 name born poor like I'm here.
What? Is Occupying Lane she come from?
When you said to me, sir, Occupying Lane?
Yes, it's down there my son take her from.
Sir, kill me then. Miss Cookie come from up at Cherry Garden or up at Red Hills Road, one of them big place thing. I must say that's why she have to go and say no. Cause you see true, like how me get you work now, me act like how big heads act. Me act. You know they want this, sir. You wouldn't even understand.
Yeah, you have to kinda, you see, wherever you go, you have to kinda fit yourself in.
Yes.
Yes, and I like the way you fit in yourself though. Yeah.
She not used to things. And so when me just come in, you know, sir, you see, true, me not really used to a big old floor and there sitting there. Oh God, me feel like a hotel me there.
It's just an experience. Welcome to the
That's
club.
why Miss Cookie having knowledge of it can't act so now.
Oh, I see why she behave the way she do.
Me love her still, you know. Me look up to Miss Cookie cause me well want to be like her one day. That's why you see me I work so hard and me I try to keep it work. And me no want to offend nobody and cause no problem.
What's the Jamaican parable they always say, no see can't see. You know it? What You know the Jamaican parable that they always start?
Never see can't see?
Yes.
Yeah, me people them always say that about me.
Oh, so it seems like that's. I don't want to be hypocritical still. But
No man, me and her tight sometimes like a sister.
Yeah.
But you know sister and sister sometimes they live bad. So Miss Cookie I live bad one and me I want to love him.
Oh.
So you see more I live bad with me, and more me love him. He not even would know that day.
You know, I can relate to that, cause that's how I used to live with my sister when we were much younger.
And he used to fight against you.
Yeah, and she didn't know the love that I have for her.
Miss Cookie knew I said me love him at that side. True, he not used to love Google, he not used to love neither. You know. So he pressure me thing, so me can show more love if he feel good.
I saw Occupying Lane people stay. Me did have one girlfriend number 2, you know.
Eh?
And I'm so happy that I left her.
Big problem them.
Big problem.
Good morning, Pops. What is this dust? Pops, look at this. Tracy, what am I paying you for?
Oh,
Pops, you realize all these things? This is so unfair. No, Tracy. I can't believe I'm paying you $15,000. Everything out here is full of dust. What are you doing eating? No, Tracy, come over here.
but miss me have this.
Tracy, give me a minute over here.
Miss, don't make some microphone.
Tracy, give me a minute. This is unbelievable. Come over here.
Every dog has his day, and every cat has his 4 o'clock. 2 blocks.
It's unbelievable. I won't tolerate this, Tracy.
Me not even know what that mean. Your love problem, you know. Why big problem?
You're not doing your job.
What is my job? You know in there when me win the place. But you want to come give me problem now? Why a big problem? You know, see you have a alternative.
The problem is you. The problem is you, Tracy.
What me do?
You're not doing your job.
What is my job?
To clean, to serve, to shut up, to work. You're not a part of this family.
Oh, come here, let me show you something. Can you feel them afraid of you?
Oh, girl, what are you crazy?
Come here.
What are you doing?
Feel some frightened for you. Me I try to love you, you know. Me I try to love you. Let me tell you something. You know remember good, you know. You know remember good.
What should I remember, Tracy?
You have an alternative.
That I took you up and I gave you a job and now you're making money and even collecting tip. This is not a tip-free hotel. You do not take any money from my dad. Yes.
Adata yes, the $15,000 way you give me now go accept it as a from now on.
Then give it back when Papi's not looking.
And do
the job for free.
So you are bad man, mister. That's how your alternative for make problem. Let me tell you something. Let me ask you something. On a serious note, no, me not disrespect you.
You can't.
You feel say me tell Pops about the bones them. I have a some around here, so me bury them in a
What
field.
bones are you talking about? What bones are you talking? If I ever hear you mention anything like you want to cause or stir up problem in this house, you won't like it.
Oh, what you do? Extradite me?
What? That's not even the correct word. You better be careful.
Extradite, you try to extradite me.
Listen, you better be careful. I'm warning you for the last time, Tracy.
So you try to assassinate me.
I see that you didn't even went to a proper school.
No worry about the school, cause one lesson me get good. You remember your next husband?
What next husband are you talking about? Listen, you don't want me to get myself in trouble.
Right now, me are going to go tell Pops here.
What are you talking about? Tracy. Tracy. You're lying.
Me a lie.
You're
Next
so
time you try to assassinate me, you remember good.
If you tell Pops, listen, you can't tell that anything. Because guess what? If he finds out, you will lose too. You won't be staying here, you won't be making any money. I'll tell him that you came here for your man.
Which man? Which man? Oh, and you laugh. You want a mad girl, you know?
Yes,
so
I'll make
turn
it
this
up.
for me like a
Definitely.
man. Oh.
Let's see who's the crazy one here. You think I have anything losing?
Oh, he's a mad
you think
girl.
I have anything losing?
I want to say skinny no says a mad girl in
Don't even call my man by his name. Don't you dare. Don't
Let me go make your
dare.
breakfast. This girl
better.
I feel me man.
You better do that. You made acting as if you're anything.
It's a mad girl this year. You're really a mad girl I behave, God. What's up? Me see her alternative, you know. Me see her alternative. That girl I try to assassinate me for true, you know. God. Look how you deal with me good. You give me big house. Me have one nice father-in-law. The only problem I have that dead me, girl. One thing alone he say will make sense. And my man, me come up here for feature, you know. My man. If he say go assassinate me, now assassinate me. Watch what go on. You take me man, you give me a hard time in my own place. In my own place. All that for go on. And you born for your nice man. Watch you go on to blast. You kill and want to kill me. Kill a girl and want to kill me, you know. And you look like you can't even breathe. You look like you can't breathe, you know, girl. When people can't breathe, you know, they're miserable. My granny tell me that. For true. You feel good man and you bada me. In a me own a place me a care. So go on.
Skinny! Get up! Up! I said to get up, Skinny! Get up from the bed!
What's the problem?
You know, sister, you waste time. Your father is here now. What about the money? You're here sleeping.
What time?
You should have gotten up from early, even before daybreak.
What you say?
Your father is here now. Skinny, what about the money?
Oh. Later me talk to you.
No. We need the money now. You need to get up and have a talk about the money.
Me just wait.
I even seen him giving the maid money. Him have money, big bucks. Yes, him have a lot of money. So why is he taking so long to give us our money and he even gave Tracy money? You need to get up. You're wasting time. Get up.
I wash my face, huh? I wash my teeth.
Don't even take 2 minutes. Always sleeping.
Babe, I'm tired.
Babe, I'm tired. Babe, I need money. My nails want to do. My nails need to get done. Here, everything. Can't you see? Always I take up hot girl and come maintain them. Hurry up and go get that money. Hurry up, Skinny. It's the money. Get the money first, babe. I'm here. I'm not leaving. I'm going here nowhere. Get the money first. You'll have kiss, hugs. Get the money.
Tired.
Skinny, go get the money.
Pops.
Why touch means so much? Human don't just want touch. They need touch. Studies show that children who were shelled. Good morning, my son. How are you doing?
There, man. Just I wake up. You drink tired?
Yeah, man. Tracy gave me some tea and some crackers.
Tracy reach already?
Yeah. I was wondering why you guys still in bed this late hours.
Pop, I'm tired, man.
Tired?
Yeah, man.
What are you doing to tired, Skinny?
I mean, Pop, man. You know, say one of your grandson, I've been working.
To blast.
Cho, Pop, man, you know?
Yeah? Because I really need that grandson to carry on my name, you know, Skinny.
True, Pops, man.
Yeah.
Talking about that, you know, Pops, you know, say, I did want the thing what they talk about. I did want, you know, they want to deal with it, some things and capitalize on something in the day too. You know, so I did want to check to see for the, you know.
What are you talking?
The money, Pops, man.
The money? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna make you get that money, Skinny, cause
I told them what I wanted to Pops.
Today?
Yeah, so they come and deal with something out that way, you know.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna just finish read this book and then I'll deal with it for you, okay?
Mr. Dice,
Yes,
I'm going to clean your room, alright?
Okay, Tracy.
No, see, Mr. Skinny, I keep up to something.
Pops, I told them I want to deal with something, you know, so, you know.
What time would you like to do it?
No, Pops.
No.
Yeah, I know more than I want to go by the road in the morning, you know.
Okay, alright. Go and get yourself fresh up, and by the time you get yourself fresh up, I'll sort that out for you. I just want to finish this little paragraph right here.
I see. Me can't link you for.
So Skinny, is that the way you're going in the town?
No, Pops, me just have you and get you.
Don't worry yourself, man.
Pops, me now watch Pops. Don't buy that foolishness, man. Just go and fix something for me, man. Me just get you out there. It's sometimes it would delay. Me could have left out and go out and I to remember some of the calicky fire, Pops.
So,
that.
you see, seems like you want to go and sleep again. I know you're coming asking for money.
Me not like sleeping, Pops. Me not like sleep.
And you're coming out of bed this hours of the day?
Me not did that sleep. Me just lie down on the Pops.
It's soon 12 o'clock now and you're just getting up out the bed.
Pops, me not sleep. Me just lie down and looking at the ceiling, you know.
Skinny, go and get yourself ready. I'm gonna let you get the money. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna check and let you get that money.
Cash it for real.
I have to take care of my son, you know. Make sure he's alright.
Sir, don't take it no wrong way, sir. I no me a peep on you, know, but me a peep on you for one good reason.
What is the reason, Tracy?
Sir, you say me a eavesdrop. I mean, I really want the problem in a but me hear Mr. Skinny pressure you for money. You know, say you see little time them when me there. Miss Cookie extradite me.
Extradite?
Yeah, and I give me problem. So Chima give me problem now. Me start watch her good for know say she exercise Mr. Skinny if he call you and pressure you if you give him enough money so she can go do ear and nails.
Okay. That's
Nobody go tell him back in a sir.
No man, that's just between me and you.
Yeah.
And you know, I see the way she been treating you for real. Cause even this morning, when I was sitting at the table, I saw that you were cleaning, and it's the same thing that you were cleaning. She come and try to make a problem out of.
And did I know what she went to do too? She asked me say me spend half a whole of me money too.
So what that concern her? Is that's not her business.
Okay, so them a try fi mine out the little dollars out your pocket, sir. Why, sir, Skinny your son, you know, but he have a gold digger attitude. Go back, go clean up the place. Not tell them, you know, sir.
No, Tracy, I told you anything that we talk, it's just between me and you.
Yes, sir.
It's
yes.
confidential. Don't worry about it.
No, sir. Oh God, me
I
wish
love
you
you
were for me father.
I can adapt you, you know, or probably you can come in the
Yeah,
family.
come would be better than Skinny to you as a family.
Maybe you'll be a good daughter-in-law, you know. Even if you're not my daughter, you could be my daughter-in-law.
Sir, me wish that could have happened, but it done gone bad already.
Don't wish. It will come true. I'm gonna talk to my boy, Skinny.
Yes, sir. But I'm gonna try exercise, sir. I mean,
That damn boy have that woman running his head. So that's the way he plan to live. Calling me every day, pops, send me some money cause I want to do this and I want to do that. And it's that girl Cookie keep pressuring him to get my money. You know what? Cow never know the use until till it turn hog's tail to blast. Can't bother with them sitting here no man. Gold digger. Skinny, you know, I have to go to the bank, you know. I have to go to the bank because it seems like I left my checkbook overseas.
Bank?
Yes, son, I have to go to the bank.
But you know, so long that I take no, Pops. You mean?
It won't take long, man.
So you don't bring your credit card?
No, it seems like I leave everything because I was on a rush. And I just bring a little small change to keep balancing me.
I will tell Cook, you know.
Tell who?
No, I mean, what time I'm going to go to get this thing?
Don't worry yourself, man. I'm going to the bank, so you can meet me in the town and get that money. Okay?
Alright, Pops, come. Alright.
I don't know what kind of plans you guys have, but only with phone look a baby brain. I wonder what they really have going on.
Come, Skinny. What did he say?
Alright, so I'll not be last, but Pops I say him not carry him checkbook.
Why does he need a checkbook? What about the cash?
Him not have no cash.
Babe, he has cash.
You have cash?
Yes.
Oh, you know that?
It's just an instinct. Who would come to Jamaica without cash?
So you would I give me that like money?
No, I doubt that.
Oh, so but he say I'm going to town and get cash and I must say enough money, no, so probably not have enough. Better I go to the bank.
Yeah.
Because probably if you give me one half,
Yeah.
I probably give me one local change.
True,
yeah,
true.
so
Okay.
I go to the bank.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, but I not expect him to feel checkbook.
I don't know. Well, if we're getting more money at the bank, no problem.
My son T. But Tracy come already, you know? Tracy come already. I get son T, baby.
Okay.
Tracy.
Hey, come here, Skinny.
Yes, pa.
I can see that no food is in the house. I wanted to go to the supermarket. Hold on, man. And get some food. This is $1,000 US. Go and do some shopping. Get some food stuff.
But Pops, I thought you said you don't have any cash.
So Skinny, this is my pocket money. Should I leave myself, bro?
So how much is that, Pops? You could give me
Don't
that
worry
and then
yourself,
get back money in the bank.
So what? I have to travel with a cash. So a certain amount of cash on me. I cannot go in the town broke.
Yeah, alright, Pops. Tracy.
Yes, sir.
We're going. You have clothes. Yeah, we're going to the supermarket. They can't go to the supermarket.
Me of course, sir, but me did I go deal with some food.
No man, let that stay, man. We're going to the supermarket now. Okay?
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Cookie! Hey, get ready. We're going to the supermarket
Come
now,
here,
okay?
here.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah. Hurry up, come on, they left me now. I got supermarket. You know, say one of them big deer one day, I go in a big deer supermarket. Hope a progressive or mega mart or one of them one day now, because I never go there yet.
You lock?
Hurry up.
You buy peanut butter.
Babe, where's the money?
Huh?
Where's the money?
What money?
That gave you.
Oh, for sure. Me have it, man.
So why did I have to ask for it?
Babe, I'm not same place where I buy supermarket,
Hurry
babe.
up, yeah. Same
Okay.
place. So we're taking all of this to the supermarket?
Yeah, be that Pop say.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, okay. Alright then. Yeah, you hold this one. I'll hold on to this.
So now all like where can I suppose?
Yes, we're gonna bring the all of it.
So why you separated?
We're going together, babe, so why I can't have money in my purse?
Alright.
Meet me outside, I'm coming.
Alright.
Yeah. I have to put on my lip gloss. I'm coming now.
Real puff, man. After everything, man, everything we set down. Yeah.
Baby, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry,
Ready?
you ready?
Yeah,
oh,
come on.
sorry, you look nice. You look like the man that would play good passport.
For sure, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. Alright. Alright, come. Come on, man.
You guys be careful on the street, yeah?
Miss, you look lovely too, my pictures.
Later, Pops.
Yeah, man, be careful on the street.
Yes, Pops.
Daring my wish that you
Yes, sir.
Alright.
What about me, Dad?
Okay, have a good day. Have a good day, cookie.
Alright.
Go on, so. Oh,
Wait
Zeus.
for me, Miss. Wait, come on, put on my crown.
You look nice, you children.
You look good too.
Look at the place. Look at the place. Skinny won't even get a gardener to come and weed up the place. Look there, look there. I have to talk to him, you know. When him come from off the street, I'm gonna talk to him because it's a mess. Look at the place. Look at the flowers. They need to trim up, man. To blast. Skinny not playing a good role, you know. You need to get somebody to come and sort out the garden. To blast. Look.
We didn't get the waters and stuff.
The what? What is that?
What you want in it?
I was just sending a quick message. What's the subject?
Now you want them, you be.
Babe, what do you think about the tuna chili sauce? Wait, let's wait.
You can probably try 3 different flavors. I don't know. You need it? Yeah.
A long time when I come to supermarket, you know. Hey, banana chips. You like banana chips too?
Yeah, the original Prolong.
Really? I can't believe you like the same thing I like. You know, like banana. You see, especially with like
Cheese.
Yo, you know the thing. The true.
And action.
Look at the flowers. They need to trim down properly. And the one skinny. Why can't I take a page out of my book? Why can't be like me? His mother was messing around. I have to leave her. Because all she talk about is just be money. I must see Macadam and pick me. So, and you see, this blasted boy, I don't know what to say about him. Look, the place need to weed up properly. That boy, why can't just be like me? Why can't just be like me? I leave his mother because she acting like it's just money alone she's all about. And see find the next one, find the next gold digger there. And guess what? It two of them come from the same place. They are occupying lane. I don't know what to say to that boy to make him change. But he must learn himself. Because all these years I've been teaching him and telling him what to do. And it seems like he just go through one ears and fly through the other one. To blast.
Good.
My dad used to ask me like, what do I want to be when I go to college? I can't drive, you know.
Yeah, I know.
I can't teach you to drive, you know. I'm like, I'm gonna rent like side pops. Oh, we didn't get the water?
No.
What do you think we should get? Water?
Water.
Yeah, we should get water. Excuse me. So water is my favorite, you know, like I don't drink no other water. Water is the water to me.
It tastes like real water.
It's like natural water, man. Like,
you know what you're forgetting?
What?
Dragon.
Oh, you know I like dragon.
Because I see a lot of it packed when I was cleaning.
No. You up to something? Yes,
You don't need like any beans or anything. You're not a dragon.
Yeah, like I want like a whole 6
I was getting like 6 or I think when I get 6 you get it cheaper.
Yeah, I'm getting 6 for real. I'm just gonna get 6 and yeah. Hey Pops, look that you know. I wonder if you remember the days when we used to drink them a lot. Pops used to sit on the balcony all night.
And you dragon?
All night, it was just straight dragon.
And roar. What do I see? This is syrup pick up. Well, if I sit in them here, you know, I have to go pack out. I'm tired. Go drink some water before I start. Okay?
Hey Tracy, what's up?
Everything is okay, sir.
So how was the shopping?
It was expensive, but awesome.
But I can see you get a lot of stuff though.
Oh, not me, sir. I just help pick them out.
You were there, so you're a part of it. Just like you're a part of the family now.
Okay, sir. Is there anything I can help you with?
Yeah, could you bring me 2 of them Spitfire Dragon, please? I'm gonna be on the coach. You can bring it cold.
Alright, sir.
Okay, I'm out on the porch, okay?
Yes, sir. Many people I can drink dragon for true, you know. This is an excuse now I can rest some is cooking or best with me. Break off them then if you give people them dragon, you know. Carry it and then throw it out. Kill up the rich. Me I get sir out of this and skin it out of this.
So look good thing you want to be Pops otherwise, man, because when you know to rely upon you all the time, you know.
True.
Yeah.
So you know, I went to the bank and they telling me a whole bunch of stuff I didn't want to hear. Because they say I have to have social security number, I have to have TIN, and I wasn't planning for this.
So why do you need a social security number and you're not in America?
I don't know why. I'm wondering all those people at the bank, they are scammers also. Because why would they want my social security number? Yes. Oh, thank you very much.
Spitfire. True.
Thank you. Son, you need some ice. Need some ice.
Well, no, Pops, I like to drink mine from the bottle, you know.
Okay. Where do I put my lighter? Can you get me something to pull it, please?
What, you need a bottle of water, sir, to use?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
Pops, it even just cool and nice, you know.
Yeah, man, I love this. The fresh air that.
Pops,
blowing.
the biggest thing right now I road, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Dragon Spitfire.
You know.
I drink this every day, Pops, man, tell her.
But you know, you should give thanks for it. Because if it wasn't for this, Dragon Spitfire, I don't know how you would come. Because I was trying so hard for you, no boy.
For sure?
Yeah.
That's why I'm the only one.
Yes.
For sure.
And I was planning on getting a new child, but your mom, I don't know, your mom was acting away and it's a long story. The glass. You want to put yours?
Yeah, Pops.
I know, I'm going to throw you to father, you know. You gotta give the spirit a little bit.
Yeah, it's Spitfire.
Yes,
True.
True. Cheers, my boy.
I mean,
True.
Dragon Spitfire for sure.
Yeah? Son, talking this, you know, the place look really bad. A man is here, the place should look like somebody live here, man. I see a lot of grass around the place and the edges need sorted out.
We are talking about Pops.
You need to get a gardener.
Last week, the place clean up, Pops, man. Week before last.
Skinny. The place could clean up last week and look like that.
Pops, like over there, man, probably we can't get one garden here now, man, but the place not that bad, Pops, man. You're miserable, you know. Yeah,
miserable. But
True.
Skinny, you should get the gardener already. You should have a gardener to come in every day and make sure the place is clean. Cause I realize you don't do anything in the house and your girlfriend don't know anything either.
Pops, who on earth love work?
You're talking about who like to work. If I didn't work, you think you could be living like this?
No, I say Pops. But I mean, here what I say when you say what I say, no, Pops. But you have to remember, say, I never asked to be here, you know. You're the one that brought me, you and my mother.
Skinny.
So it's your responsibility to make sure say me live nice and looks. Right now, Pops.
Tracy!
You only give me one house in a Pops. And a 2, 3, 4 houses should I give me? Yeah.
Skinny, you're a big man. You should not be depending on me to take care of you and your woman.
You not take care of me and my woman, Pops. Listen, Pops, you see, me take it, my money, give my woman. You understand? And me take your money and put it on my bank account and do my local business.
So
me
that
couldn't
mean,
take your money and give my woman.
That means you must be rich right now then. Because if all the money are sent to you, put it in your account, that means you must be rich.
Yeah, but I look at things when me do it, Pops, and certain investment. You understand? For sure.
Skinny, you know, I think I'm going to run short on cash, so you're going to have to lend me $1 million.
Short, how you feeling, Pops?
I'm tired, you know. Where's my peanut butter?
Tracy!
Yes, cooking.
Why you haven't packed out everything as yet?
Cause I was sleeping.
Don't tell me I forget my peanut butter.
Peanut butter, man.
Tracy, where is my peanut butter?
Which peanut butter is?
I told you so many times in this store to go and get the peanut butter. What are you talking about now?
You tell me if you get peanut butter when?
This girl is... No, it's like something is really wrong with you, Tracy. Something is really wrong with you. You came from the store, you went in the room. What were you even doing? Why is the box still full? The box still full. There's no peanut butter. What am I supposed to eat with my crackers, Tracy?
You can't wait to eat one of them. I'm going to go back in a pop's room go sleep.
It seems as if you're forgetting a place, you know.
My place is right here.
Yes, right here, packing out the grocery in the cupboard and the fridge.
You don't talk.
I can't believe you right now. I can't believe you right now, Tracy.
You don't see what I'm going on with my life.
I don't care what is going on with your life.
You don't see what I'm going on. You don't see me I start going shopping. Me I put on the X right here, so. July 10, 2020, you know, Malcolm. 2023.
What are you trying to say, girl?
Godmother birthday.
What are you really trying to say?
Me nah report you up there, me come say, stop you may be a problem. Come here, I just be a problem and then you come tell lie. Boy or say when ask me for peanut butter.
Tracy, I told you at the store to go and get the peanut butter for me. Isn't that your job? To serve me?
Oh, your job is to serve next man, which is not your
Tracy,
Tracy. So, when you say no get the eraser here, that make me want me to think you call me for.
The razor pay?
Yeah, I want to start with all the messy here, so I want the razor pay too. And me I like this too. You have to start paying me for keep
Stop touching me, don't.
Let me go to
First of all,
What is it going on here?
fuck, Dad. I was just telling Tracy that she needs to pack up.
You need to watch me and talk.
Pops.
Get the watch. Make sure you get the watch. Start it.
She needs to pack everything in the cupboard.
She said she got help me to pops. Take off.
You get together and know each other.
Yes, Dad, yes.
And both of you look like sister now.
Not sure. I eat you just did not tell me. No, the watch. Watch me and you, Tracy. This is boy. Go on in your room and pack up your watch in a one box. Yeah, I'm carry the $20,000 come before I go to Pops.
This doesn't end here, Tracy. It doesn't end here.
I see him thing, I'm going to try to show you with the X.
You must leave this house. You must leave this house. I'll go get something and then I'll go back.
Make that dead neat girl and carry the watch come give me. And the $20 and she see what happened. Think me a out here. Me never out here, son. I feel place. You see me I go shop with my family.
These girls need to live better than this, you know, man. They can't live in the same house and every minute they quarrel. Why it have to be like this? Skinny! Skinny! Wake up, man, or you can't sleep, so.
I'm not sleep, Pops. I sleep, I go.
Wake up, man. You need to talk to those young lady in the house. And let them know that they need to live better than that.
Me, Pops.
Yes.
Pops, I am in my house, Pops. If you do it there, Pops, man.
Skinny, how long I'm gonna be here for?
Pops,
I'm just here for a short time.
Pops, I am in my house.
So should I go in there and tell them that they need to live good and be back of them every day and call them on phone telling them that they need to live good? You are here with them. You should set example. All I do every day is just sleep. I'm talking to you, man. I say you need to talk to those young girls. Let them live better. To blast.
That's not even funny.
It's not funny.
Don't do what you do, like.
Are you first started? Yeah, at the supermarket. Yeah.
So I guess it's
so how's the day?
It's going smooth.
I mean, at the supermarket.
Oh,
Yeah, no, like the vibe.
it was fun and kind of weird because at the first maybe I went on big place like that, but it was awesome.
You see, they like to play. That was cool.
So that's like your regular place where you and your wife shop?
Yeah, it's
You playing one band in your house?
nope. Well, seems like there's a lot to eat here, you know, like good.
So what's the plan for the day?
I don't know, you going to cook today?
Yeah.
What are you going to cook?
Pops was telling me about some ackee and something like that.
Yeah, him like ackee and saltfish.
Yeah, that's
trust
what
me.
he said.
Like he's a lover
So-
of ackee and saltfish.
I'm waiting to hear with what.
It's kind of weird, don't you? Like,
Very. So, you wanna help me?
why not? It's hot.
Just you're not used to washing plates?
No.
First time?
Yes? She means you're basic.
Yo, Bahamas. Yeah, man, me know, man. Jamaica, me there. I try to fix things. Yo, tell the boys. Yo, just tell the boss and listen, me I fix things, man. Yo, me I deal with the man, know yourself, man. Jamaica, me there, man. Yo, Bahamas. Bombard star. Yeah, man, you're going on well, man. Yes. But, yes, just like that. You know you're a fast learner though, Lacey.
So I've been told.
Yeah, man, you're a fast learner. And don't make whatever is going on right now get you, because I see a bright future for you. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah.
That helps realize that
Okay.
you're not being a
Alright, so you get as much.
appears to
So
be
what do you think?
learning.
You could use this for 2 days or what?
True.
Oh, I can see that you and my daughter-in-law don't. You guys are not having a good relationship. What's the problem?
So,
I know I'm going to tell her the truth. Sir, Skinny. What? Pops, it don't...
You don't have to call me Pops. You can call me Rolling or Mr. Dice.
Mr. Dice, from me come here, everything me do, she just have a big problem. Like she not like me.
I can see she have a lot of attitude. I can see she have a big attitude problem.
To blast.
To blast. I don't know where my son find that girl. I don't know where he find that girl.
Mistress Cookie, Mr. Skinny, your dinner is ready.
Hello.
Your dinner is ready, sir.
Alright, may I say?
Mr. Dice, your dinner is ready also. So,
True.
Mr. Skinny, this is your seat.
Respect me for true. Call. Action.
Is that right?
Start.
This is where you be seated since you're the head of the house.
Thank you so much, Tracy.
Mistress Cookie? Let me take you to your seat. So, this is where you'll be seated. What's this? This I don't understand. Tracy, where is my food over there? This I don't know what you mean.
Cookie, why are you behaving like that?
Dad, can't you see what she's doing?
It's not a big problem. Okay, just go side Skinny if you want.
Tracy, replace my food, please. Okay, madam. That's just crazy. Which side do you want to be on? You want to be on this side of your husband or that side? I'd like to be right here, the closest. Which side do you want your juice on? This side or that side? You're the maid.
Skinny,
Yes.
I see you having a hard time at this house.
Pops, me good, you know.
You good?
Like that, me good, man.
So you just take everything like it's okay.
Pops, it's okay, man. Everything good for true.
Take your tongue off your head, Skinny. Didn't I teach you at the table manners? Take your tongue off.
Pops, and easy, you know.
It's the right thing to do.
Think I start with it.
Let us see how it works. Seems like Cookie don't use the same grace. Close your eyes, guys. Wait. Where's Tracy? Tracy, come and sit at the table.
What?
What? Come and sit. Tracy, what are you doing? Come over here. Come and sit at the table.
Mistress said this is where I must.
It's not what Mistress said, it's what I said. Come over here and sit at the table.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see our girls.
Mistress, I
Pops,
think
you
this is
accept
yours.
this time,
Yeah man, I'm gonna say.
yeah, man, for true.
Mistress, this is, Pops, is this yours?
Put the give it to me.
Mistress, you're alright?
I'm fine for sort of everything.
Let us see our
Yeah,
girls.
Pops, I have. Say yes. Come, Pops, I have. You this side. Wait, we can't. They're too far away, so wait.
Skin, what's the problem?
They're too far, man.
Yeah.
Seems like you people are confused or something.
Pops, I'm not confused, but we can't break. But
So,
why you doing?
moving also?
Yes, Pop. We're moving.
Pops, it's just that they're too far. But we didn't have to move it.
It's better this way, baby.
Skin, is this what you go through every day? Is this what you go through every day?
No, not really, no, sir.
Pass me my phone.
Come on.
Okay, let's say our grace.
So, babe, hold hands, you know, it's supposed to hold hands.
It's okay, babe.
No.
Hey, I'm hungry. So why are you guys taking so long?
It's okay, babe. Why? You find for sort of everything.
Come on, let's all Tracy and him cook it.
Dad.
We have
Cookie.
prayer, we're praying to the creator of us. Okay?
Okay, let's quiet. Thank you, Lord, and please bless the hand that feed me. And please let this food be a benefit to us. Oh Lord, in your holy name I pray. Amen.
Amen. Pops says still got it, man.
Yeah?
The true.
Yeah, man, I never lose out skinny.
I'm starving.
You should follow my footstep also.
Yeah. Well, you want 5 kids?
And you don't start as yet. When are you gonna get that 5 kids?
Before I get done, I'm feeling, man. Probably next month.
But I can't wait to get that grandson down the skinny. Can't wait to get that grandson. You're still gonna have to get that.
What do you think, babe? Next week?
Sure. We're already working on it, Dad.
Working on it?
Yes.
Oh, but you need to work harder.
Well, I'll tell it to your son.
Skinny, seems like you're not doing a good job, no one.
Of course, Dad. Remember, I'm a lover of dragon spit fire, and you know it go already.
Yeah.
Right, babe? When I drink the dragon spit fire,
It's in your blood, man. It's in your DNA. What is it? Seems like you were heating. Oh, Tracy. Seems like you were heating already, though. You're hungry.
Tracy don't eat that afternoon, she eat like a little bit. Probably that's why she's not as, thick or...
But if
You've
she's
been
hungry...
noticing, Tracy.
Hey, stop me talking on the phone anymore.
It's a woman thing, it's over.
But, so, if Tracy don't eat much and she's hungry, that means you that she's starving here. But you're giving her pay crackers and ramen, because I see her ramen.
Come on, check. Tracy eat whatever she wants.
She eat whatever she wants, Pops.
Yes, cooking some mostly easier on the family food.
Tracy, what? Tracy?
But really?
Cookie, she's a part of the family.
Well, no. First of all, she's not a part of the family, Father.
Why?
Because she's a maid. How can she be a part of the family?
She's a part of the family.
First of all, she's not a part of the family, Dad. She's a maid. How can she be a part of this family?
Okay, calm down. Lacey is a part of the family, whether you like it or not.
Skinny,
What?
are you not gonna...
Well, I'm eating our food in my mouth. My dad told me not to speak with food in my mouth, but so when I finish eating.
Let's have the dinner. So, Tracy, how do you manage to get here in the morning and leave so late at night?
Well, driver, like when I have money, but me normally would call him and he charge me like $3,000 from my house to carry me from here. But true, I'm not really going to me. Me kind of having, how we cause all this morning.
defending me?
You know farm out?
Yeah, I know for
And then you have to turn up in a farm out. Courier the songs. And man, so me did a beg and feel sorry for me and give me $40. And one gentleman when I always buy jelly from, me beg him $100 to make it up. Him name Brian, right beside that credit union.
Oh, yeah, I know Brian.
Yeah. And he give me the $100 and me use the $40. I second to come here this morning, but he make it bother me.
But Tracy, it seems like you're paying more for fare than you're getting. Because if you pay $2,000 for your fare per day, how much you get per for the week.
Miss Cookie said $15,000.
No, I'm gonna have to step up a bit.
Father, I pay her $15,000.
$15,000 cannot pay.
She's my maid, Father. And this
She's
is
not your maid. She's a part of the family.
She came here as a maid and she's gonna leave here as a maid. She's a maid.
Hey, you remember who I am? I'm not skinny. Don't talk to me like
Let me eat
I'm
this,
skinny.
please.
Skinny. Say something.
And sir, no matter how much you can make me wash,
Perhaps I can get some of the juice.
I'm a cook. She put her underwear in the clothes then too. Stop check.
That's very rude of you with
Hey.
your cooking.
That's
Tracy, stop. You're
Skinny.
complaining that.
you know I would never do
I'm
something
having
like
my dinner. Why you guys arguing over the food?
You guys, are you comparing me to the maid?
Hey, just stop that.
Hey,
Obviously she's lying, Dad. She's lying.
For what reason, mistress?
Why would I put my underwear in the laundry for you to wash them, Tracy?
Probably it was a mistake.
Tracy.
Pops, I have
Watch your mouth. Girl, you're putting your mouth.
The eyes are question things and then.
I don't know why you offer her to sit at the table. Look at the problem she's causing.
Tracy, since it's getting so late, you don't have to work to go home tonight. You can just sleep in my room. Okay?
What? No, this is unbelievable. I'm not having it. You're not staying here in this house.
Yeah, I have to stay here.
Pops, where she gonna stay?
I let she have my bed.
No,
She have my
Skinny.
bed.
Skinny, I'm not
Where
having
you
it.
going?
I'm not having it.
But you must finish it. Babe.
I tell you about that girl, she don't have any respect. See? I don't know what they're gonna do.
Yes?
Why are you still around the table?
I'm
Come here. Don't you see that I'm in here?
Are you the kid or something?
Pops, never mind.
You should be like a man.
I said to come in here, Skinny.
Skinny.
Pops,
Seems like the panties or something. Keep that cookie running your head. I don't know what happened to that boy.
babe, what wrong with you?
What wrong with me? What wrong with you? Are you a man? All of that being said and you couldn't even say anything?
I can't even eat in peace. You find problems with everything. Everything seems to be a big problem.
You were supposed to be the man of the house, right?
You are seeing my house.
Oh really?
You know, see every time you are talking or I'm talk.
She's not staying here, that's what I said, and that is what's gonna happen. So you need to go and talk to your father or something. You need to do something about this. I'm not having it. I said I'm not having it.
Turn down your voice, I might pop stereo.
Don't tell me to turn down my voice in here.
Stop.
I don't talk when I'm talking. I said you need to be a man. This is time for you to man up. I am not having it.
What makes me a man? No breasts.
You should be.
And have balls. That makes me a man.
What makes you a man is you should have the ability to stand up for your woman. Stand up for your woman.
What else? What else?
You should be defending me, protecting me. You have them talking to me anyway. I'm not over it. I'm not over
everything.
Okay.
Man, listen. I just need you to understand that it's not as bad as you put it. It's not that serious.
Oh really? I'm exaggerating. Skinny, I said you need to do something about this. You have to do something about this.
Listen. What about we get rid of fire? We're going to fire. Let's get rid of fire. What about that?
Well, that seems like a good idea.
Okay, no more we get rid of, okay?
Why not tonight? I don't want you sleeping here.
Remember, I'm the man there, and I said tomorrow we get rid of her, okay?
Okay.
them me I talk about, you know, man. Man not for work. Next thing I hear say, he find man when they. You, I them you something I not like as a real man. In my own headspace, I can't manage my woman there out and do the hard work and honest. They make me go do work, man. That's why you see me I try if you earn the money and come in. This woman no style, you know, man. Watch, man. Set me and set up for you. Think I get with my type of liberty? Wait. Hold on. Hold on.
My life from a bed of rose. Sometimes me have to put on the bed of clothes. If me never talk, you woulda never know. Sometimes me never have no shoes for me toe. My life from a bed of rose. Sometimes me have to put on the bed of clothes. If me never talk, you woulda never know. Time me never have no shoes for me toe. Roughness of life we go through. If me tell you some things over say I'm not true. You have to keep fitting where you can't lame up yourself. Come back. Yeah, I need to go up again. Boy, I get old, man. Leave the skinny makeup out of the car. We need to go on the street and skinny! 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 That boy, every man in English there and the bed.
Skinny!
Skinny!
You're coming to stop. He's at the door.
Damn boy. Oh, look at the time now. Look at the time now you still sleeping.
Huh?
Look at the time now you still sleeping.
I'm not asleep, Pops. I just you lie down.
So, come on, let's go on the street. We're gonna take a walk.
Walk?
You have to keep fit, man. You cannot stay in the bed all day.
But I'm fit, Pops, man.
You fit?
Mm-hmm.
You don't look like you're fit, skinny. Come on, man. Let's go on the street and take a walk. Skinny, I'm gonna be sitting out here. I don't wanna wait too long.
Alright, Pops, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, Pops, man. Come.
To blast.
me so come here. So come.
Skinny! Skinny!
Yes, Pop.
Go along out here waiting on you, man. Seems like you're still sleeping. You know, a sleepy I should call you know. I should call a sleepy instead Skinny. Even though it's Skinny to blast.
Tired, man.
Tired? What are you doing, Skinny? Make you so tired?
Working on your grandson.
Working on my grandson?
Yes, Pop.
Oh, I can see you getting more skinnier. That means you're really working hard for Cho-Cho.
Tell a Pop for 10 hours here.
Yeah?
For Cho-Cho.
Cho-Cho.
Where we going now, Pops?
We're going to take a walk in the scheme and, you know, just observe. Because I think I want to buy one more of these house. So I'm just walking around to see.
Yeah, you said you want a mill to borrow.
Yeah, I want a mill. Okay, I want a mill, but I say I'm gonna buy a house. It doesn't mean I'm gonna buy it right away.
Ready?
Yeah, man, I'm ready. You need to stretch, man. You have to put up and down. You need to stretch. Skinny. You know, it's not that I really want to walk, you know, but what is really going on in the house?
What do you mean, Pop?
I can see it's a big problem in the house.
Big problem? No problem in the house, Pops. I just probably are overthinking, you know?
I'm not overthinking. Why the two ladies always cussing every time and having a disagreement?
You know, Pops, you know, Pops, this Cookie always have problem, you know. Cookie have problem with everything and everyone. So it's not like if she has problem with the maid, it's something new. It's not something new to me, probably because you're not around all the time to experience your personality. Probably this is the reason why you come to this conclusion to say that something is wrong in the house. But if I should say something is wrong in the house, it would be something wrong with Cookie and not in what's happening in the house, because how she treat the maid is I'm aware of that, because that's how she treat me. Probably sometimes even worse, but you know, when I love a woman, that's how it is.
Skinny, you're really saying Cookie's cheating on her, so that's it going on there?
Pops, it's not like that. It's not that serious, Pops.
It's really serious.
How serious, Pops?
So what? I cannot live in a house without a woman cheating me like the way I see Cookie cheating you.
So what else you want me to do, Pops?
You have to be a man, Skinny. You have to be like a man.
She applies me, or she try to kill me, or she try hurt me, I know. You know, she not cheat for me, Pops. She loyal, you know, Pops. I one of the most loyal woman.
Oh, you know she's loyal.
Pops, of course, we're not even going nowhere. Like, we're always around each other. And, Pops, I believe in her, and I see where she believe in me. So, at the end of the day, Pops, if you say she not loyal, would that be a lying man, so for true. True.
So, how you know that she's loyal?
Because
you have a camera on her?
Well, we spend 99% of the time around each other, Pops. So, Pops, listen. Yeah. You know what? You just think you just over-exaggerate and just think that things aren't well because they are women, you know, Pops. And in order for you to be a man is to aware and acknowledge that woman is what they are. They're gonna argue, they're gonna be fussy, especially when they're on the red light. You know, they behave already. So you don't take up certain things, certain female behavior upon your head and make it be a problem or an issue. You know, the woman is problematic all the time, but when you love a woman, you just love them genuinely. So for true.
Skinny, that mean that you love her in a way that she will treat you like a boy and you don't even see it.
I don't really see that, but if it's not affecting me, why should I see it? Why do I need to see it? I don't need to see it. I just need to love her a little bit more.
Okay, so even if she's cheating you like a boy.
My woman not cheat. And it's not like she a cheat. If she did a cheat, that could have been a different case. But she not cheating, you understand?
Well, Skinny, you know, I think they help her like you. She's the one you
Pops.
should be rolling with.
What are you talking about, Pops? You see her?
So you don't see it?
It's easy, you know.
You don't see it?
See what?
Come like you're blind. And that me tell you, you're blind to so many things.
Let's make this more stealthy.
What are you doing here again? What are you trying to do? Get me in trouble?
No, take down with your voice.
You don't understand. Even Skinny Dad is here. The place is even more crowded.
Skinny father.
Yes, we came from Fern the other day.
Fern?
Yes.
Wait, take that back. You can't talk then sing too loud. Shh, wait. Take that back. Calm down. Why you can't move so?
You don't understand. This is big trouble, Taj. And why can't I get your phone from the other day? What's going on?
You don't know, so me
We're too close. We're too close.
Talk facts in me. Take you stay, no girl. That's why I love it.
What's going on? Why?
Listen.
Why haven't I been getting your phone, Taj? Are we over? Is it true?
No, listen.
Taj,
Baby, listen to me.
I don't believe you understand.
Babe, calm down. Just calm down. Listen, just calm down. Okay? I love you.
I love you too, and
I had to come and see you.
I don't want this to end, Taj. I'm not even planning to be with Skinny that long anyways, but you have to make it right.
You don't even have to tell me that twice, and you know that. Come on.
But this...
Come on.
Taj.
Come on. You know this. Listen. Everything's gonna be alright.
I don't want to lose you.
You're not gonna lose me. I'm gonna make everything work, okay?
What about the money? I can't leave Skinny. You're not making as much money.
Who say I have to leave? Listen. Is Skinny the breadwinner? No. Shh, let me talk. It's his father. He just told me that he's coming from where?
He already came.
Right, man. Thank you for your correction. That even made it more even clear to me that we can survive. On this earth, you should always try to survive and look for the best option, even though sometimes the best option is hard to choose. But listen, Skinny father is the real deal. What if I could make it that we survive?
But how? Taj, you're really gonna make this work?
I am, baby.
I hope you get it together because I don't see a life without you. Even when you're not around, I just don't know how to stand Skinny.
It's okay. It's gonna be alright.
It's too hard.
Listen. It will all be set in due time, okay?
You promise?
Have I ever broken a promise I ever said? Till a long time now. This ain't pops.
You need to drink more often, man.
General.
Son, go and pull the back door from me, please.
Alright, pops.
I'm so happy, Taj, that you're in my life.
Of course.
You wouldn't even understand.
True, baby.
You're the only man I've ever loved.
Just feel weird. For real, like that for real.
Yeah.
I don't even have the accent if I need that. I don't even want to make a lie.
Taj, don't be funny. But anyways, you need to go now. You need to go now, so.
Hey,
Yeah?
listen now.
What about the phone? I can't get you. Oh.
You need to try to get a phone for me to get some money. You have little access to little phones and things. One little phone now.
So what happened to your phone?
I do not know.
Okay, babe, anything for you. I'll try and figure it out, okay? You need to go now because you need to go now, okay? Yeah. Alright, you need to go. Wait, that skinny fat touch. Not the room. That skinny one is not the front door.
Yeah. What you are doing at my house? Cookie, how would this man here? Is who this man in my house?
Babe, is that why that tone of voice?
What you mean about tone of voice? Me no come go road and come back now, me see man in my house.
Remember when I said they needed somebody for the lawn? I was being considerate, babe. I thought about you, and that's why.
I made that cut the land.
Babe!
Outside me, chief.
Let's set my phone. Everything.
True, man, for true. So I know.
You know, say a touch.
For true.
I for true.
I saw for true.
Yeah, man, I saw for true.
Yeah. So any man are doing at my house.
Oh, the pipe was having a little leak, and because he said it did a bit of plumbing job, I was showing him the pipe.
So you can the plumbing and them thing them G.
Yes, we fix any form of plumbing.
Any leakage.
Then can work, man.
Yes.
Hey, Pops!
Taj, this is not gonna work. And Tracy is even here. So what is this? This is a big problem.
Listen to me. Stop worrying about this Tracy lady. Why you keep on worrying about Tracy? It's easy.
I'm
It's
concerned
not bad.
about myself and my position in this house.
That means you haven't been listening to what I've been saying to you. Believe in me. You did good. What you just did here is good. This is just a part of the plan.
This is crazy.
I love what you did here, actually.
This is crazy.
Shh. You believe in me? You believe in me? So me I gonna make you happy and survive.
Taj, are you crazy?
I'm not crazy. Wait.
Boss. This guy here, where's anyone here?
Touch.
Touch, yeah, I'm going to do the cutting. Yeah, so the guy just deal with Pops guy. I know my package join.
Yeah, man, I'll take care of it. Nice to meet you, Mr. Touch.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Hi, my name is Rolling Dice, and you can call me Mr. Dice.
Okay, Mr. Dice.
Yeah. So, Cookie and Skinny, welcome the new member of the family.
Hey, Pops, hey, nobody have that. Nobody have no family thing, man. The man come for work, the man come for work. I kind of family talking about.
So, oh, you didn't say nothing when I said Tracy is a part of the family.
But Pops, I made clean house and things. You guys just have cut the land. When that over in the house, you know what to do in the house, Pops.
It don't matter. Yeah,
But
you're scared of him taking away your wife or something?
Pops, yeah.
He don't look like in the shit.
Nobody can check my movie for life.
Too fast. But I can see you're very considerate, Cookie.
Yes,
so, you're such a darling. Yeah. Okay, you can show him around and let him know exactly what to be done.
Okay, Dad.
And the garden needs some water, so you can let him start off from there. Okay?
No problem.
Yeah.
This way.
Alright, out here, sir?
Yes, this way. Babe, how is this gonna work between us?
Listen. Don't ever make that mistake again and call me babe.
What? What are you saying?
In this case, I'm not your babe. One mistake can lead to another mistake. You got to keep a deep cover, okay?
Okay. Okay. But, Taj, how am I gonna even take you off my mind? Get along my hands off you?
Why would you want to take me off your mind?
But it's gonna be hard. What do you think?
Listen, it's all gonna work out. Can't you see that everything is already in play?
I mean, yes, but Taj, I just can't. I'm so weak whenever you're around.
That's called chemistry and love. What can you do about that? That's natural.
Oh my goodness, see you and not want to touch you.
Yeah, just hide and touch me. What are you talking about? Hide. Come on. Follow me, follow me. Over to the plants. Hold on, stay.
Yes, you need to water here and you know those plants over there. Yeah. They're dry, so you need to water them.
Okay.
And make sure you don't leave that big one over there.
Okay, so what are the names of these ones?
Huh?
What are the names of these? You know the names?
I'm not sure. Maybe Skinny and Pops, no, but I'm not sure.
Oh. Alex Pops. I think I got it from here though.
Alright. Just, you know what to do.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have never reached vacation by sea. Now that they're deeply I'm just like a leaf that's flowing and swing. Always anywhere that
It's snow. Life nice, oh God. Going on my room, big, pretty, AC, everything. I get one I never asked for. My God. Gotcha. I didn't realize my room come with back garden. Oh, thank Jesus. What a nice house God bless me with. Oh, Miss Cookie feel like say, you go get me out of my own place. Pop say me nothing left out here. And the bed nice. I want to figure make you French coffee. Me get few cents a dime. Brush my teeth.
Pops, no. You have to know what you say when you say what you say. Because there's no way a man could have a cut land and a cut yard. He has a yard boy. And you have to say family. No, Pops, when you say what you say, no what you say when you say what you say, Pops. That not the Pops.
So don't it seem like I know what I'm saying? Eh?
No, sir. Pops. The man, when him done cut the yard, him guy him yard. And nobody tell no man boy he can't stay in that no space not out there. Much less for even he made there for sure. He made that.
There's an extra room around there so he can stay there. Everybody here is gonna be family, whether you like it or not. To blast.
Is that right? And then can't stay for sure.
So what, you gonna leave?
Yeah, me and Cookie will live up for sure.
Okay, up to you and Cookie, cause I don't see you doing anything in the house more than get up every day and sleep and then get up and sleep and then get up and sleep.
But you're not easy. Eh? You're not easy. Where me I pay me for?
It seems like you're crazy. You're crazy? So all my money going down like that? Just to pay to do everything and pay people to watch you sleep?
Yeah. I never asked to be here.
So you want me to send you one back then?
Bye. Let me buy one toothbrush and what for me things there? Is there Cookie on? You look nice. Oh God. I'm not treat me as my sin deserve, you know. Sensodyne. I don't treat me as my sin deserve. My man did I give me bun. I up here I live a good life. And I drink Jagan Spitfire. Now, may I improve more than him. I get room with Pastor Patrick Machas. As a poor girl, they say they don't have nothing in her life. Oh, brush my teeth. Come here and waste no time. Cause if Miss Cooking, you make no breakfast in her house today. Watch your mom make pops meal. Oh, then. No towel. See me, I use up in the place. Everything.
Cookie will do it for me. All the stress that she's putting on you, I know one day you will go back home very soon.
But to be honest, look at me good. It's just stress part on my face. It's just stress mark on my face.
You look like you're more than stressed.
No, sir.
You don't see you're getting even skinnier.
No, sir.
Like you're not even eating anything.
How can I be skinny if I'm not skinny? For sure.
I check in the garbage and I see only ramen noodle and cup soup. You see, that's what I only eat here.
That's the only thing I want to eat. So no wrong with eating what I want to eat. Anything I want to eat, I can't eat, you know. I'm my belly.
What, is it because you don't have time to cook and Cookie is not cooking for you?
I talk about pops, man. Every time I ready to cook, man. Cookie always cook, man. Cookie a big chef, you know, for Chocho. I tell her. No joke, for Chocho.
Well, I hope to see her cooking one day. Because her name is Cookie, so she must be a good cook. To blast.
Cookie, if you cook breakfast this morning, for sure. I try in pops, she can cook.
What she ever cook for you?
Yeah, a regular cookie steam down some fish and okra and crackers.
Fish?
I wear the pops and I get a nice lobster tail.
Yeah.
Simmer down some for Chocho.
Excuse me, morning, Skinny. Mr. Dice, you drink tea yet?
No, I haven't drinking the tea as yet.
But Miss Cookie did say she gonna make tea for everybody.
Tea? Well, I never see Cookie in the kitchen that before, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Miss Cookie, I live too comfortable, you know, sir.
True.
It's too comfortable.
Come and sit over here. So how was the night?
Why, Pops? Babe, come here.
Yes.
Sit down, babe. Remember you said you were gonna get rid of her last night?
Get rid of her?
Tracy, babe.
Oh.
Babe.
But she not getting a problem. See, she just awake to us and she not getting a problem.
She should have been awake from morning.
Oh, that have to true, be. That have to true. Our time,
Baby,
after 10 now.
you need to do everything in your power to get rid of that girl. Can't you see she's making me sad? Babe, you really need me to be sad?
I deal with it, man.
But
So,
how soon? I need her out.
I tell her say she
No.
So when Fredo just tell her say she go on.
Yes. We need to get her out, baby. I'm sad.
So, but Pops now go on that.
Babe, who cares about what Pops want?
Tell us start an argument.
Don't you love me the most,
Babe,
babe?
I love you, but it all cause argument. Alright. I think about it.
You're really gonna make me sad. You're gonna think about it. Baby, I'm talking to you.
Yeah, I know. I hear what you say when you say what you say. But I just need...
Just tell me you're gonna get it done, baby.
No,
That's all I need to... No.
Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna talk to Pana. But Pana go like...
Baby, don't think about what he's not gonna like. Think about what I don't like, and I don't like her being here any longer.
That's true.
Okay?
That's true, man.
So just do this one favor for me, baby, please. Okay?
I deal with it. For true. I talk to Pop, but I have to talk to Pop first.
Babe, as long as you get her out, it doesn't matter. Just make me happy. You want to make me happy, right? Okay.
Right, now I'll sleep first.
Huh?
Now I'll sleep first. Babe, I deal with it, man.
I said no.
I deal with it, man.
Baby, no.
After breakfast. Make sure you look for breakfast first now. Make sure you look for breakfast first, then okay. Babe, just think smarter and wise now. Make sure you look for breakfast first, then we just get rid of her stuff for you. Alright, make go. The bombshell.
As long as they get her out. Just get her out. Too much problems. And I can't have her blowing my cover, ruining my money, my life. You crazy. As long as I get her out.
Pops, me have one little plan in my head, you know. Cause when me just start work here, every minute through Miss Cookie have me a fear bend and I wipe furniture, wipe all man shoes, me did kind of have one little back problem. But me realize say this morning when I wake out, me not have the problem. So me I say, me go save and buy one of the mattress them.
Don't worry yourself, Tracy. From now on, that bed is yours.
No man, I want one done for me hard.
Yeah, don't worry man, I'll buy that one for you. But you see that bed in there, it's your bed. No one tell you when to sleep or how to sleep on it, okay?
Yes, Pops.
To blast.
For true. Pops, you know I'm grateful to you. You're like a father that I wish I have, but never have. Yeah, I'm gonna make you proud of me, you know. I'm gonna make you proud of me.
I'm already proud of you already, Tracy.
Thank you, Father.
But I know there's room for improvement, so whatever you're gonna make me proud of, I know I'm gonna be prouder.
Yeah, I'm start wake up a little bit early out of my bed.
But Chase, you don't have to. I can see you're very hard, so you don't have to stress about getting up early. Skinny is here and Cookies here. They can help you with the chores around the house.
True, Father, as one big family.
Yeah, cause so I haven't seen Cookie in the kitchen since I come. So she should look about breakfast and even the bed she can bring it to you because you're
not
special.
True, like oh God, for sure appreciation to me.
Blast.
You know what, Pops? I have a plan for me to unite as a family so Miss Cookie can love me. Me and I can use up the kitchen this morning.
Just like you say you appreciate me, I appreciate you too, Tracy. And from now on, you're not just like my daughter, you're my daughter. You're a member of this family, okay?
Yes, sir.
To blast.
So, Pops, we go in the kitchen, go gather the stuff, and so me and Miss Cookie can work on our friendship. You know, like if we know each other, so I'm go call her first so she can know if we come meet me
Yeah,
in
man,
the
you
kitchen.
should do that because I don't like the way you girls are living. 2 ladies in the house, you should be living loving and not like puss and dog.
Yes, Pops.
Yeah. So you can go and do what you're doing now.
Okay, let me call her first.
Okay.
Pops, why you want me and Miss Cookie to go like how me go call her and tell her?
You can look about some mackerel and rice. It's been a while I haven't eaten any mackerel and rice. White rice.
Okay, so me go so call her and
Okay.
which dead rat girl? Me and that dead meat girl and not cook nothing unless I cook some chlorine gear for dead. I want the whole house for me alone and only live in it. Left me want him left out your son. Can take my man and then he want to come take over the house himself. It not work. Go in there they beat up him and you know. Pops, me just tell her, she said me forgive her 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, you can go and start arrange your stuff until she
Yes,
comes.
Pops. I don't like that girl there.
Hey, Pops. I see Tracy.
I'm over here.
Oh, sure. Hey, Trey, listen. Trey,
Yes, sir.
what you cooking? I'm starving.
Pop said to look about some mackerel and rice because he haven't had it in a long time.
Sound good.
Is there anything else I can help you with? I'm sorry. Is there like a special way you want me to look about it?
Trey, listen. You don't have to serve me all the time. You know? You can call me Skinny. Skinny.
Oh, Mr. Skinny.
Not Mr. Skinny. Skinny.
Alright, Skinny.
Right. It's okay, man. You can't just look out it regular tomato town and all these things of a show. Oh, Tracy. Cookie.
What cookie do you know?
I tell me, say, me for fire.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She miserable, you know, but me just not understand why she behave like that sometimes. But, I mean, probably she jealous or, you know,
of what?
insecure. I mean, you know, probably me and you and, you know, being cool and, you know, come
being
really
good
find
friends.
a problem with her. You know, I don't really find no issue like, you know, me comfortable. You know, comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Yeah, I mean, she alright, but me just have to tell her, say me tell her to leave and Pops probably say, no, cause, you know, Pops kind of rate of you and, you know, that's a good thing, that's a good start, yeah. So,
you really want you to fire me?
yes, me I tell her, say she tell me, say that, me not remember to her, like, me should have even come in and come tell her, say, if pack up and left, but, yeah, say, that no sense in that, you know, like, you know, make no sense, like, you know.
So, me not treat her bad.
That may I say too. You look nice though, like it just though.
No, it's been done for a while. Planning on getting it redone.
Oh.
I'm confused. I don't even remember saying go cook.
Alright, outside.
Bye, because I don't want to be fired.
Who will go fire?
Mistress Cookie.
Well, no, but I take her up on head now, you know. Because it kind of
weird.
It's all good. It's all good.
Appreciate you telling me.
Yeah, because I appreciate you, you know. Alright.
Take me, girl. I want to say. I want to see if you fire me. Worry yourself. Your skin can't fire. Oh, I look so good. Watch your go on. 3 mackerel me I cooked off his spite. Come on, you know she go cuss and then Pops go get rid of her for me. fire me. Them not forgot tell the pops this. Our pops there, if you hear them as yeah. Pops!
Yes, Tracy.
I have something to tell you.
What is it?
From honestly, me look no problem, but me say no matter how me I try, me for one day for my start do this. You don't know say after you tell me say if you go look about the breakfast, skinny him. Come to me and he, as always, him always treat me nice. But catch a bombshell now, send Miss Cookie say if he fire me.
Fire what?
Fire me.
Yes. You crazy?
Calm down, Pops, let me make me hear and say me an informer. I mean I say, Pops, look how me a plan for buy one dear mattress them for help me with my back. And they want and them a plan for fire me.
Don't worry yourself, Tracy. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, Tracy. You see, it's not the same day. Leaf go water bottom here, yeah? And when fire they are must tail and think a cold breeze. Don't worry them. I got something planned out for them.
What me I say, Pops? Just imagine, Pops. I am trying. You know what's part about it? You know, I did a plan for bust the can of worms, you know, but I go bust it. You see, when I send me go call Miss Cookie, Pops,
Yeah.
I'm going to say, yes, we must work together in the kitchen. She says she now work to know, get a coffee or house, and I'm going to move from our door, dirty drunk. Pops, me say it alright. Me just I tell you, so you know, when you see me one day and then the next day, me not come and work, you know, in the dark, so then fire me. Me go back in the kitchen, go try see if me can whip up a storm, because this coming like my last meal. I mean, I like mix up in a Pops. That's how me stay, me like mix up. You could dead me, girl.
What a big problem. To blast.
Mr. Skinny and Miss Cookie, your breakfast is ready. Pops, how everybody?
I want the best to sleeping. What is it?
It's Tracy, sir. You can come at the table with your wife.
It is very nice though, Tracy. Like, you know just the way I like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Out and about, you know. So, which one is mine? This one, which one?
Skinny, you could have gotten the chair for me.
Oh, the bombshell. Pops, are you happy?
Yeah, man. So, how are you gonna start it before I come? That's a bad manners.
So, I'm just like
Blast.
Not this again, Miss Cookie.
You're afraid to run.
Still I do it. I mean, not stop till me see the goal. But me still I do it. And Jaja say fi go and do it, you know.
By the way, where is that?
oh, you know what I do, Pops?
Go and call him, let him come and have breakfast with
what?
us. Yeah, call Touch, let him have breakfast with us. Cookie, that's not the way we do it. Go and call Touch.
It's really not necessary, Dad. It's not necessary.
Why?
Pops,
Pops, who Taj?
Tracy, you remember the guy that we were walking with the other day? Yes, the guy that he looked homeless.
Oh yeah, you know him?
Yeah, I saw him with Tracy the other day, right, Tracy? Remember?
But we need Taj
It's the same guy.
Cookie. Go and call Taj.
You're right here now. Yes, because I know he's your friend, so I gave him a blind, because I know he needed a...
Hello.
Daddy.
Are you hearing what I'm saying?
Pops, man, we can turn out then a Pops, man. When she done, she carry food for you.
No.
Call Taj it through.
Yeah, go and call him for me. Go and call him for me.
But, just show him. Mr. Taj, Pop said to come and eat with us. Come on. If I see
your friend, it's your friend Tracy. It's your same friend that I saw you.
Shout to Pops, let we hear.
To blast. I said call Taj. Go and call him at the door. Cookie.
That's not even necessary. You Taj!
Just.
Babe, your dad hired him.
So where am I going, Pops? Not around the table.
Where you want him to eat? On the floor?
Yes!
I saw you have Tracy sitting on the floor. Taj not going to sit on the floor.
Tracy.
Nobody going to sit on no floor here and eat. Taj, let him come around the table and eat. To blast.
Yes, Mr. Des.
Jesus Christ!
Come on, Taj, come on, sit and have some breakfast with us.
Pops, I don't like them style, I know,
Sit
Pops.
beside Tracy. I heard you are Tracy's friend. Tracy, go and get Taj some food.
Yeah. So, you wake up on the side of the house, there, sir?
Yeah, man.
If you go supervise the thing and make say man I do the right thing, because we not pay nobody and them not do them working.
Yeah, sure.
You hear me, sir? Yeah, for sure.
Skinny, you should be the one supervising. You need everything for Cookie to do.
Exactly.
What purpose?
Then I'm making the work, Pops. How much do you do, Pops?
So what? You give him the work, then Cookie gonna supervise him. Cookie know when the garden is cut good for me.
Exactly, my lady.
You are the one to go and see that everything is done.
Pops, you know what I say, man, but what you stand on my house now and my rules and last. Not too comfortable, because I hear this man and cut this man and I feel in a house.
Your house. Your house.
Then I'll house. Pops, you know what? I could say I prepare and get some food.
Yes.
You understand?
What sweet mommy goat have a running belly. To blast.
From there.
Why you not holding Taj hand?
Because Miss Cookie saw enough for one everyone.
Don't worry with that shit.
Tracy, I'm really gonna lie like that. I was just kidding because the place was tense.
I'm really hungry.
Lord that be me.
So, Cookie,
Yeah.
where is your hand?
No man, Cookie, I'm occupied, man. She good, Pops, man.
Hey, Cookie, I leave you if I don't
Yo, sit where you are, Taj. I'm the man here, so whatever I say goes. Cookie, hold on to Taj.
I'm holding on to my man's hand. Don't do that, Dad.
Cookie,
Don't do that.
yo, this place is a big problem.
Skinny,
Pops,
we're the
let's
one
get
of
it over.
those. Remember.
Pops, I'm hungry, Pops. Let's get it over with and done, man.
Well, we're not going to eat until everybody hold hand.
Let's not eat.
B, let's hold it.
Okay, Dad, okay. Let's not.
You can't go wash your hand, man. B, let's see, B.
Yeah.
To blast.
Just hold your hand behind the neck when you're done, just go wash your hand. Go.
You treating Taj like he's nobody. Come on, let's pray.
Yeah, everybody a family.
Skinny, shut up.
Yeah, Pops.
Thank you, Lord, and please bless me and let feed me. And please let this food be a benefit to us, oh Lord, in your holy name and pray. Sira. Amen.
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 Lord, peace and happy.
Yes, baby. So, Pop, you open the and going on.
The place need to clean up and Skinny not doing any work here.
So, how long you gonna work here, Pops?
He's gonna work here forever.
Forever?
Yeah, he's the new gardener here, so you gotta make sure.
Yeah, when you're done, yeah, throw that out the door.
Skinny, That's not the way to treat someone. What, you don't have one for yourself?
Yeah, Pops, I do yard boy, Pops, I don't think they do.
No, he's no yard boy. He's the new member of the family.
Pops, don't talk to Skinny like that. Everyone in his family.
I should not talk to Skinny like that. No. You should not talk to me like that. Skinny, what? You don't have any respect for me anymore. You should let your woman know yourself.
They do respect. There's no.
It's my job to stand by my man. He's your son. You should be happy as a woman to stand by him.
But you're not standing by him. You're standing away from him. Because the way I see you treat Skinny, I don't know where you get that lifestyle from.
What are you trying to say?
That's the way all the girls in Occupy Lane stay.
But
that's the way your mom used to move out.
Why is he calling me out in front of strangers?
Pops, if you just have breakfast now, let's go up and eat that and go and try to come like this and not cause a problem.
It's true.
Yeah.
I don't think, babe, even though Pops is being disrespectful, I don't think Taj did anything wrong.
Oh really, Miss Cooking?
Don't worry, are you mocking me? No. Remember your place at this table, you're a maid.
No,
only because I'm having sympathy on you.
Hello. Are we eating or not?
Alright.
Like how him a cause big problem. I don't think enough make him stay. Just get rid of him and get one in armor.
And while we're at it, let's get rid of Tracy because she's causing a lot of problems.
Tracy, Tracy cooking it. If you want to Tracy,
I don't cook
right now.
Tracy don't belong here. She don't have to be here. I can get another maid.
Okay.
I can get another maid for this.
Okay. Don't worry yourself. I'll decide who's gonna leave and who's gonna stay. To blast.
Father, so what the argument now? A woman and so woman's girl.
Okay, Skinny, why are you prolonging the argument? Let it stay.
Me, Pops, you notice my enjoyment nice, man. Long time I need something nice at that.
Just leave him alone. Everybody is just on Skinny. Leave him alone, okay? He's the man of this house.
Exactly.
When you start picking up a Skinny.
He had always been on Skinny's side where I belong.
Pops. That's just the argument, Pops.
Just leave him alone, okay?
Seems like you only him for Skinny money.
What?
Pops, yo.
Why is your father being disrespectful to me, Skinny?
I'm broke, I'm not.
I thought you would leave with him.
Like always.
To blast.
So come from Taj.
Right down the road. I don't really have no house. Like that. So I kind of just stay. My friend yard and look at them there, you know.
You can continue to stay at your friend yard because we don't have no place to put up nobody.
Hold on, don't worry about that, Tracy. There's an extra room over there that we have some stuff packed. You can stay there, Taj.
It's alright. It's alright. Respect Mr. Dice.
You're welcome, Mr. Taj. Don't feel like you're lower than anyone here. You are a new member of the
I'm listening. I'm hearing you, sir.
My son.
Thank you,
My
sir.
son's Taj.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I tell her it is all your fault. You should have gotten rid of her. You don't you believe she is the reason why Pops is treating us like this? Huh? All of a sudden, everybody becomes family. See, they know we have a big happy family. Yeah.
So all of a sudden it's my fault.
It's your fault because I said, Skinny, you are the man. Do not make your father come in this house and take over. Look at it now. Look at it now.
You will never stand up and tell Pops say, you know, I no yard boy in the house. Where yard boy are in the house. You know, see, look at him and look.
Of course I tried to tell Pops that. I tried to tell him. But every time I tried, what did he do? Shut me off. Disrespected me. And guess why? Because he knows that you are not standing by me as my man.
And you know what though? If you did a big woman for the house and wash, cook and clean, we wouldn't need a maid.
Oh really?
Why should I be wash, cooking and cleaning and you didn't put a ring on my finger? Check it. Do you see a diamond ring on this finger? No. Then how dare you mention wash, cooking and cleaning? And even if the time and the place is not for me to wash and cook and clean in this house, I am not a maid. Okay?
No, my fault.
It's all your fault. It's all your fault, Skinny.
Yes, my fault for true.
Get rid of her. I told you. This wouldn't have come to this.
So why you not get rid of her? When me go out there, I tell her I say she have to leave. And Pop said she can't. She must not leave. So what else me for do?
So what are you? Are you even a man? Sitting down talking about Pop said she can't leave. You're the man. Pop's his hole. He got one foot in the grave. What are you saying? You should be a man. If I, as a woman, say, Skinny, I am not feeling comfortable anymore with this girl in my house, get rid of her. And you sitting down, say, I'm going to do it tomorrow, today. She's still here. Look at what, look. Can't you see?
So what is the solution?
You're the one who should figure that one out, Skinny. Yes! You're the one who should be figuring that out.
So why me still not understand? Me can't complain, because at the end of the day, me there with them, me make sure say me there 24/7 stuff for true with you. Right?
You don't even have to be here 24/7. That is not the point. Oh God. Oh, that dead rat boy get work. Holy manage. The boy are up to something, you know. Who I am. When Miss Cookie me and say, in a garden, Pops. God. I mean, when you could have yours and mash up now. Had you really come and so? If you can't look work, if you can't take when I work for me. Something up. And a poison touch kind of mash up my plants. I feel tell like one touch for Pops get rid of him. I feel that I plan cause Pops love me. So Pops will get rid of him too. Pay extra problem and crosses in this one also. When Miss Cookie manage to come hire me man, which is fair man. For me and Skinny and Pops in a place. Can't manage life. I said, get rid of that girl. Yes, I hired her, and I felt sorry for her and everything. No, your father is coming. Oh, he's a family, and I am talking to you. Do not walk away from me when I'm talking to you.
Me tell her this man say she can't stay. Well, so I'm going to push her out.
Skinny. Babe, can't you see that stress doesn't look good on me? Look at me good. Can't you see this? Huh? You really want to have me at the house stressing me out? This girl is not a part of the family. Get rid of her. I asked you. You
can't try, but me can't tell her say me I get rid of her. Me must say alright, me tell her say for true. Me tell her.
You're not being the man that I fell in love with, Skinny. You're not being the man.
You know what tells me for them? Me try every time I try. Me don't know, cause
it's like
she has
you don't want me anymore.
Keep the place clean and nice.
I thought we were
of
planning
course.
to make a family, and we
when last we room ram?
Why haven't we? Ain't it your fault, Skinny? Ain't it your fault?
So tonight
are you getting rid of that girl?
Alright.
Huh?
I feel me can't walk past it. I don't know.
You don't know. You want me to be comfortable enough to have you getting your pleasure and all, and I'm in the house. I'm unhappy.
But she do
I'm
a job.
sad. She's not.
You don't have to wash it.
Don't pick
cook.
up for her.
Who cook this man?
It doesn't even matter. I didn't even enjoy the food. I didn't even enjoy the food. Did you see me eat?
So what do you wrong with
She can't even cook.
What do you wrong with
I made a mistake. I am in that Tracy. I made a mistake. What?
Me not understand.
Stop
Sometimes when you want to get.
Stop picking up for the girl.
Sometimes when you need to get.
And I need her? Are you saying that I need her?
I'm not saying
Are you saying
that. I'm just saying that you don't have to wash, cook and clean.
I didn't have to do that even before she came here. Because I'm not a maid. And as you can see, we are not in the same class. Okay?
So why it's a problem?
It's a problem because she's not doing her job and she's being disrespectful. Plus, she's turning pups against us. But you're too busy. You're too busy picking up for her and being a boy under your father that you don't even see the truth. You can't even see the reality of it.
I see and hear everything.
You can't even see. What did you see?
I see that it's getting over exaggerating.
Really?
It's like overexposing the whole situation. Like, she's not that bad. It's just the guy that he is supposed to be on the outside. She's on the inside. The guy, what am I saying name again? Raj.
I don't know. I don't know what his name is.
But outside if you stay enough in the house, that me a charge and then pops now yo.
I agree with you, babe. He shouldn't be in the house. But my problem is this girl that has been in the house, not doing her job. Not doing her job. You and Pops behind her.
Me?
She even forgot my peanut butter the other day and I didn't even hear you telling her.
What? I never did I store to.
It doesn't matter, she's a maid. I shouldn't even been at the store in the first place. What do I look like to you? Walking around searching for goods when I have a maid. She's the one who's supposed to walk around and follow the list and pick up everything I need. And you didn't even said to her that she should have listened to me, the woman of this house.
A two women in our house. One a maid and one a...
Hey!
So, me not understand.
Wow! Okay! Oh, really? Two women in this house. Are you gonna open your mouth and tell me that there's two women in this house? How dare you! How dare you!
Why you have to make it look so?
How dare you!
Why you have to make things...
Wait, what are you even trying to say? What are you trying to say?
I'm just saying that the maid is here and you are...
You said two women in this... You said there's two women in this house. Don't ever let me hear you say that again.
It's not like me and her they are like that.
Skinny.
She not to look...
She's
she not to entice me.
You see, if you don't want to get the wrong side of me that you have never really gotten before, because trust me, you don't want to get it. Don't you dare mention to me that there's two women in this house. She's a girl, she's a maid. I'm the only woman in this house.
Yeah, overexposure thing, cause
I'm the only woman in this house.
Me not have no eyes for her. Me not men's her. Me not fantasize. Me not nothing at all. I'm just here trying to be the man for you.
Oh really?
For you.
You know what? I don't even care. What I'm concerned about is her not doing her job and her trying to disrespect me and behaving as if me and her are on the same level. That's what I am concerned about. Okay? She don't know her place in this house. Because you and your father treats her like family. I should hold her hand around the table. I should walk her.
What a bombshell.
And if you think I'm gonna accept that girl in this house, you and your dad are crazy and delusional. I will never accept it. I will never accept it. So figure it out.
Yeah, we are. Come on in. What you feel, Yadu? You're trying to laugh. What you feel?
We look like me do.
Up here, they do your mom.
I'm gardening.
Box you done, boy. Garden.
You have no manners, you know. How you go put your hand in my face now?
Garden.
I say my hand in dirty. If my hand go in your face and germs that pick up my face.
So your hand dirty. You then lift up here. Ooh, make you come up here, boy. You come out work.
I did tell you, say you're not going to get away with it. I set for you.
Yeah, set for me.
This is it now. This is snare.
I sneer.
You fall in it.
You feel say you're better than me up here?
No, sir, I'm not bad. I'm mistress. To show you where I'm going. You're mistress.
Hey. Mistress, we show me where I'm going.
You don't need it. You don't have work for you.
Me not work for you. Wait till Pops find out what you really get. Me don't tell lie pa you, you know. I bet me call police pa you.
You realize that me and Pops are general?
Yeah, and Pops are general. Pops knows you went thief before.
Me just plant some grass and say, you know.
Yeah, me kick up everything, man. Why you not come up here back me for? You don't go left here, you know. Why we can't roll in that house here?
I'm trying to earn some money to buy my phone back. Huh? What's wrong with that?
You don't want a phone. Me and you now go up here. And me alone for up here.
So why can't I go on, sir?
You know what me go on, so you're bad mind. You know see it, a bad mind, you say more, a bad mind. That's come here, so. Because you don't need it up here to where we can't manage in the one house.
B, no me one did there. No me that try to set to life, but no me one did there first.
Election up long time and you lose your seat.
So for your bad mind work.
Election up long time and you lose your seat.
Yeah, this time work. Yeah, this time work.
Go see. I go last in this house, your boy. Watch your go.
Go on this one.
We go see who. Now make me up now. We go see who. See, you can't wheel me up in this. Watch and see.
I'll go on you don't even know say me. I rule of all of this I go and I say I set this girl. And he's listen there and watch the program. Yeah. Not a car planting grass. Yeah. Get all.
If touch no him I play with. Think me I play with him, he better have a next plan. Cause that one you not go work, you know. That one you not go work. Rise up my blood pressure. Why my God? My God.
Hi Tracy.
How are you?
Trying to be okay.
Why?
This is unbelievable, Tracy. Can you believe it?
That Pops hired the gardener. Or I don't even know who hired the gardener. You know who hired the gardener?
I don't know. It's okay. We need a gardener, but the whole behavior of everything is just stressing me out, Tracy. Don't you see that? What now? Why are you smiling so much?
No, because it's not that I don't like you, but I don't want to get fired. God no.
What do you mean you don't like? You like me?
Oh, if you say that, it just came out wrong. Babe.
Find somebody here.
Nobody's gonna hear. It's gonna be okay, Taj.
Yeah, alright. That can't break me.
What about the work? Isn't it too hard?
Anything for you.
Really?
Yeah, I'm after the close to you.
Skinny, you just gone bad already. You have no selfish, crazy woman, and then everything just go wrong.
So, I mean, it not really go wrong. It's just that, you know, me end up in a bad situation, and then, you know, because probably if me didn't meet her before, probably, you know.
But I met you before I came to the house.
Yeah, but I mean, before I had that troublesome girlfriend of mine, you know.
That bullies you around.
Not really, but.
Skinny, you ever think about leaving or like, you know, starting a new relationship with somebody that is better and somebody gonna push you around?
Well, I'm thinking about it now. And to be honest, like since me meet her, like it's just you know, like a bit different. I feel more like I have something, you know, to try, you know, like, you know, not try, but like you say, like start a new path, you know.
Don't take it the wrong way. Boy, Skinny, I bet you're in there with your cop-ups love me.
You think so?
Think I know.
Tracy.
But your woman might beat you.
Don't say that, Tracy. What do you mean beat? I mean, we can think about it. Like me, you know, got through stuff, you know, like.
You just want to take care of. I don't think you're a good person.
So you're going to take care of me?
I'm already taking care of you. As me that left the work already, you know. Would I left the work already?
For sure?
Of course. Would I leave the work already?
What about me and you, like Bonnie and Clyde, you know? They could be my ride or die.
How about me inviting you on a date? Kind of weird because normally it's a man's job to invite a female.
I agree on that.
Alright, so
it's a yes for me.
I'll let you know when, or better yet, let me know when you're free and the monster won't eat you alive.
I can always tell her something, you know, because sometimes I even like, you know, take a break from her, you know, because my pops, you know, I'm rich, you know, all of that.
We all know that.
Yeah.
So have a great one with the new gardener.
I mean, you know what? Probably the gardener can keep her.
What? The gardener can keep her?
I mean, as in not keep her, but like, probably she can't get the gardener.
That's gonna be a good one, not you?
I couldn't get the mail.
If only the gardener know a long time.
That's true, but...
Or we can pay the gardener for day with her, or look her. You may think evil.
No, sir. Yeah, probably. I don't really love her. But I'll go check on him and see him go on with.
Okay, you go ahead.
My new girlfriend.
That has a ring to it. Bad to bad. You know, say Skinny is a fool and that style. I like him, you know. He just know, it's like they went dropping pan in head when he look at I mean the garden can't have her. You know, see it's a gardener, Miss Cookie there. One problem I have. Then me, Miss Cookie and the gardener there. I'm not there with him no more because me one woman here. I have to go make Pops deal with them for me.
There's something cheap in there. Sure, well. So, I feel boy there.
You went to the kitchen. Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be alright, man.
It's all gonna be okay soon.
No way I look out for me, though.
That's what I'm here for.
No, love that.
Okay, hurry and finish up.
Yo, sir. Yo. Yo. Where you doing, my window? Where you doing, my window? Watch it there. Where you doing, my window, my youth?
Cowboy, me have a shot, man.
Cookie. Cookie. I want to go. We are doing window. Yeah, say boy out here peep on you.
What?
The boy out here peep on you, baby. And that me, yo, let me tell you, man, you're perfect. We are doing window peep on you, man, you. You know, say sitting right for you.
No.
You know, say sitting right for you.
Listen, I've cardboard, father. Wait, so, Mr. Skinny, sir, cardboard, my best chance. It's cardboard, I don't know that child.
Cookie, you're the aim out there, sir. Boy, I find it suspicious, you know.
No, sir. Look, you see, me couldn't see anything. See, cardboard, my best chance, sir.
Okay.
Really, Andrew.
I watch a boy and feel say my pervert, you know, for true.
Really,
yeah, man. Alright, that's come like just on me right time. But now I said, man, me deal with the man. Come, me show you something, run so. Come here, sir. Yo, this is my house. Me set rules and laws. You hear me say? Where you come here for do?
Work,
cut
sir.
land. No work. And no any work. You come here for cut land and land you come for cut.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
And rummage the edges them around the bushes. You understand?
Yes, sir. Did I do that, you know?
Yeah.
Let me see you window them.
Me not talk about no window because I don't suspect say you're pervert. I people want people my woman. That's why I don't want to in my house. Because I suspect say sitting about you know right. And when me know. You understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I don't want you in my house. If Pops if he come in my house to drink a glass of water, tell him say cool out here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You understand?
Me always
tell him say water suffer true.
Yeah.
True. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. Me don't want you see in my house, my youth. A land you come for cut. You see some of the boy when you see man nice woman suffer true. You know woman take care. How much money man spend per woman, eh?
No, sir. Me never married.
For your woman hot, sir.
No, sir.
Eh?
No,
for your woman brown and clean, sir.
No, sir. Me did have one red kin one, but he never brown, sir.
For true.
Yes, sir. But me never.
Yeah.
Me never really do nothing, sir. I win that still. So right still, no, sir.
Yeah.
For them, you tell me know about the place, and I always I hear things about people, and me know so they're not really straight when they come on to like with their work. And if you say keep their heads straight and torment people and their own, because they're not really used to certain things. You know?
The boy know say have sense.
Me think
yeah,
so
man. Yeah, man. You have sense, man.
Yeah, man. Because I work, you know. So
yeah. You're not there for work.
Yeah.
You're there for plow the land.
Yeah, you garden. Rummage hedges them around the garden.
So for true.
Yes, sir.
You have good remembrance.
Yes, sir.
Keep it that way.
Yes, sir.
And if Pop say, if you come in our house, what I tell him say?
Me always hydrated, Pops. Me don't want no water.
Alright, for true. That is it.
Yeah,
just hurry up and clean up all them part.
Yes,
them part and fix up.
Yes, sir.
And set up a thing the right way. You see it for
yes,
true.
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And don't let me see about a window. Let me say.
Yes, sir.
Alright,
no,
for true.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
People are real drama, you know. I don't know how this a message with. Can't hear them people anywhere, man. Can't bother the problem, you know.
Oh, good night, Mr. Dice.
Alright, Tracy, how you doing?
I'm doing okay. I'm actually heading out.
Heading home?
Yeah.
I thought you say you were. I thought you were late. You were staying.
Oh yes, but because I haven't been home for a while and I have some business to attend to early in the morning, I said that it would make sense I just, head home. Mr. Dice, you look a bit out of place. Is everything okay with you?
I'm good, man, but there's a lot of things going on in my head, but it's okay.
Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, have a good weekend and hope to see you very soon.
Okay, sir. Tell Skinny that I left.
Okay, safe journey.
Yes, sir.
Can't take your problem, man.
So Dice.
Dead rat, why?
Go on if you go in the yard, man.
If you go in the yard,
How long
man.
have you left from up?
Madam, make me here, no.
Couldn't time I come down here, watch me here.
Dirty man.
Turn you upside down here.
Careless why?
Bad, you bad. Mr. Dice! Mr. Dice, sir! Mr. Dice! Mr. Dice!
Who is that?
A Taj!
Taj,
Yeah!
come on inside, Taj.
No, man, my foot down kind of mud up right now.
Okay, I'll be there.
Yes, sir. Blessed Father.
How you doing, man?
Today I go home after work, you know.
Oh, I can see you do a wonderful job, man.
Yeah, man, I respect you, Father.
True.
Blessed for your job again, you know.
Yeah, man, you're welcome, man.
Aye.
Yeah.
Like how you want me to take care of your place as a gardener. I can leave you with my number, you know.
Yeah, man, you can just put it in my phone so I can call you whenever I need you.
Yeah,
but
man.
I think I'm gonna need you to be here for the whole week. But you can still put your number in my phone.
Alright. So that's 86 99 459 touch. Kinda quick on phone, you know.
Yeah, I can see that. You're one of them technological man.
Geek, yeah.
Yeah, for true.
For sure.
Yeah? Okay, so like how you're leaving now, you can come tomorrow and for the rest of the week, okay?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
So if anything emergency, I'll give you a call, okay?
I respect Mr. Dice.
Yeah, man, bless up and
Blessed.
have a good night.
Yeah, man. You too, sir.
Yeah, man, bless up.
Blessed. Yes, yes. You're not gonna hear it. I'm here, wait, man. Nobody lick me.
You feel me around figure? Watch out.
What do you mean?
I'm not playing with you.
We're not playing here.
Kim, me not play.
Stop tormenting things, man. How much money you make out of it?
If you say, no question me about my paycheck. If you say, this is funny, this is not funny. Don't touch me.
Stop going, sir. Right now, I realize, you know, that I not see her give a Beijing in the eye.
Hold on.
Who that? Come on, yard.
Don't touch me, come on, want the people them see me. Ah, don't hit me.
So you're going, man.
Boy, you did live around, I'm a friend. And I'm a friend, yeah, my name. Sympathy, I look at you want to come in your house.
Are you a call long name mosquito for me?
Me?
Keep talking.
Go on, left me. May you come and work?
Come on.
Let me see if me no kill that boy, you got to come.
Oh, you go kill him. Oh, you go kill him.
You're good, man.
Yeah,
Just
love
go on
myself.
your ways. Make sure you have fear, too.
You must say love me.
Love can't always erase.
I'm leave your bank here.
No, no good.
Taxi right now.
Go on, left me. Go
Come
on.
down. Come on, man. Let's get on taxi.
Me have my own a drive.
I joke, yeah. See you later, alligator.
Where you find me?
How me find you? You must find out and figure out how you go find bossy money.
No worry yourself, man. Me I start you up, man. No worry yourself. Me fly down to start out, you know. Me have some money, but me not have a life. I deal with it, man.
You can fly down to start out. So you can start it out quick enough, you know. Yeah, me I tell you.
Bammers, your family, you know, man. Where you move, so?
We are talking about family. Can you mix family and business together? Try remember that. Make sure you start work bossy money.
Bummers, know yourself, man. I sort you out. I have a piece of food there. I did it, man. I make you get everything, but I have a little piece of food and I make you get it. Yeah?
Piece of food. I don't know what I'm going on right now. It's like, you know, see problem with marketing himself, you know. You know, see that? Come and tell me about family. You know, so you play with bossy money. One of the worst mistakes you could ever make in your whole entire life.
It's me cooking. It's me. It's locking the door. Don't worry yourself.
Man, you're still big and clumsy.
In school, no Bummers, man. How you move so much?
You're giving that. I don't need that. I don't take pussy in bag. Don't tell me that you're going, but don't tell me that, man. This way you give me a son now. This I give me half a hit. As if I didn't reach quarter. I give me a pint in a day. You get me? And you see this? For me.
Mama, so you move some man. Bossy money more and try to make up you get you know.
Hey, listen to me, man. About bossy money. About bossy money. And when you want money, me have to spend. Just to try find your location. Eh? Give me this 2 months.
No like your style, no man.
What? Remember you don't like my style.
Bummer, just easy no man. Sure. No, you don't want to pick me you don't want to pick me over Bummer, Bummer.
See if I never for you. More than for the end of this right now, you know. You can matter of fact. I want for the business in your yard.
Which business you are talking about?
Yo, let me ask you, man. Don't go on like say. Don't go on like say you want to use brain for me, you know. Because you everything you want to go on now.
Whatever, man. After my son business. After my son, I can't.
What do you mean by your son business? Say any business you have, after you have boss it till you don't pay him off.
That's cool, man.
You wanna tell me nothing?
I get myself in a man. Bummers, I start talking to money, man. Don't worry yourself, man. I start talking to money.
You can run. If you're gonna start to get bossy money by such and such, and now see a big
problem.
Leave me tell you. Here.
Bombers, may I deal with the thing, man. Know where yourself. Bombard, they want to be right place at the right time to deal with this. My son, they don't know what to know what go on. Just give me the number, man. We call the way we sort you out so you can get it. Just give me a chance, man.
Yo, don't worry about my digits. When I'm ready, you know where to find you. Just start out the rest of cash, make bossy can get it. See me? Alright.
I did, man. Where yourself, man. Oh, the man. Oh, the security let him in. Oh, the... I have to go call along there. Oh, the security let him in. I don't expect but once they find me, I say, no. I'm get myself in a man. Big problem. I'm get myself in a man. You know, so this is a big problem.